Yo. Phone here. I got phone. I got like change the settings. Yo. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Oh. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Lekker vrijdag. Today, guys, how do you break the ice with your partner? Sex. That is the topic for today. My wife phone guys. Na ke rate phone tse nketsang tje. Phone ke tobeditse kae mara. Yo. Guys, how do you break the ice when you have a partner e sa rateng go bua ka sex? How do you break the ice of when you have a partner isn't comfortable go bua ka sex? How do you break the ice if you have a partner who doesn't like to talk about sex? Ndavas. Hari bueng he bana ba go gae. We qala kae? We qala phi? Guys, dumelang. Le ntshwarele mabone ha ke a etsa show because of hey. Actually jwa ne ke la jwele ka mo motho a hlokalletswe ka nnete. Guys, where do you start when you want to talk about mdavos to your partner? And where do you start initiating them mdavazo issues? Where do you start talking about the issue of mdavazoza to your partner who doesn't like hey, what's my luna baba mbalula linyala le batho ba dingame baba mbalula linyala le ngame ntotse re ga hore baby wa tsene kgala re etsa to ithata phileyo o enka ka jwale are baby ne ke kgala re etsa 1 2 3 to ithata phileyo a to ithata phileyo ha le ratala le ngame nga dinto Lola linyala le dingame nga ntotse re nxa uthi stando sambe ngicela basithi masithi athi hey uyithatha philo the only pastor in South Africa, Republic of Congo of United, the only pastor, Dr. November, who's allowed to go deeper in the bedroom suit, in the room. I'm the only pastor. Hey, Prophet Nto. I get to give Prophet Mamba. I'm trying to listen to my one. Hi. Guys, siqalaphi? Thata mjolo le manyalo. Yo, kunzima. Ibile jwale a tshwanela le bua ka Mdavazo. A kunzima. Ibile ha le saka la qala le tlwaetse bua ka ona. Be le batla go bua ka ona recently. Yo, ho boima. Ka nnete ha o batla bua ka Mdavazo. Nna ha ke di jwetsa ke re thethane ngawo bantwana bam. Buang ka Mdavazo le so yo hole. Ebe ka re ke gopo nna ke re buang ka Mdavazo. Ka nako ya date thethane ngawo. Ebe ka re ke gopo. Ha ke re buang ka Mdavazo le so yo hole. A leng gola kre. Yo. A ona theta jwala ka bua ka Mdavazo se le nna nako relationshiping. Se le nna nako. Ile gale se le jole. Be le re le bua ka Mdavazo. Ha hona ntho thata jole ka eo. Because jwala o re bua ka ona ho thuto. O bua ka o yinka ka ntho e. O ntse bua ka. Lona biba kunzima bantwana bam. Ha le imetse bana ba ka le imetse bi. Ke life e Pastor November in Victoria's 5 ministry. Nna ke bapala video tsa Mdavazo then started to conversation. Una le plan ngwana ka nna re simolotse go bua re ise re bonane re bua ka phone. Yes, a re bona ba qadile go bua ka phone fela. A re ba qadile ka go bua ka phone ba so kopana. Ha ke le jwetsa ke re buang ka Mdavazo le so yo hole. Thethane ngawo. Ebe ka re ke gopo. Ha ke re buang ka Mdavazo before le ya hole. Swapane ya thusa thethane buang ka lo ka Mdavazo. Ntho re tla to you are a pair of the Durban July a ka mpa ba pere ngwanaka. Thank you Tlanes ka gift. Thank you ngwana. Thank you ngwana. At least now for the gift. Ba bo ba thutse ba itse tu. Ba ba thutse. Ke tse o tlo wehle mona. Ke tse o tlo. Ke tse o na le motho a sa tshola go kena mana ke tse bo batla mo. Ke tsa ska ba kena ma. Ka net. Guys, nna ke le jwetsa ke re kenang. Buang ka Mdavazo. Ka relationship a fresh encha new from the box. Le bue ka Mdavazo. Listen to Ilin cha. Ka re buang ka ona o santse le mocha ke le sa mame a gere buang ka you are so creative. The earrings me. Guys are buang him. Especially lona ba ka ra di relationship. Le tlo qala kae? A ke la tswa ntwena e ke etsa mona ha na go ntsetsa mohlanking ya lang ke a itlwela. A ke la tswa. Le a tseba kre. No mpa ke etsa fela bana beso. A qata ba le mosadi wa ka. Ke a ditlwela ntho tsena tlebe ke le ntate a itshwereng hantle hampe. A qata ho nyala. Ka ile ntate a itshwereng hantle hampe bana beso. Le ntate ya behavior ya vetsa enqetang kena ya enqetang kena o be le motho bo sa kgone mo jwetsa ra hlape. Let's why you closer to move motho ra hlape. And la we bua o re bua ka plan o re tla ka strategy re baby ke nana renke shower kapa re nke bus a ba re ha e di right a ba ra nna ke right I re la itse tap on screen ba go gaile la tlele di gift hle ngifting etsa njolo hle le gifting le tsmandor o tlo sa tse borujo etsa motho wa o jwa ngore le hla a hlape ene abang khapudi sam eno ke bokwe ang khapudi o butla sa tshaba o tlo sa tsebo mojwetsa jwa ngore baby a re hlape ha o re baby o tla ke nana re nke shaba fela ba ra nna ntse ke shapo I remets when I go high. I remets I remets straight. I remets I need to remets. Usiamunan Kabular movie. Are Motuaka. Any radula betting at the Nediteki. Dieta. Ah, Pamamo. Twice young with my betemo. Usia black peanut butter black. Usia blackhead peanut butter. I do teach Sophie. Bete, afasa take, fasa. How Palma mo? Usia blackhead peanut butter. You eat roilen tati. In that time, a pesco pet. It is to the blackhead. God. I will be my factory lamb child. I will be my. I need to always. Utasile black hair to my bed. And I see the black hat. I see the penny about the two to my bedroom. Eat really to my sheet. Lola! We manufacturing. Guys, like your friend, I have to become Davos. Nothing else. Let's work on the channel, become Davos. We don't compromise. Rebecca Davos straight Mdavisto. Rebecca Davasto. And guys, lunkupa hen, Kalukupa, lunkupa, Tianitela, Kalukupa. Purpose yaka ubakam Davos. Jure every time kibata re-improvising into the bedroom tsa rona, especially batho ba nyetsweng. Lona ba nyetsweng ke a lo kopa aim yaka jure le improvise the bedroom. Makube mnandi ezikamereni zenu guys, makube mnandi ha ube mnandi dikamoreng tsa lona. Ke a lo kopa bana baka. Ke a lo kopa ke kopa le etse hore ho be mnandi ka ra dikamore tsa lona guys, ho be mnandi. Guys, ke kopa le jwetsa nnete. Ke kopa le jwetsa nnete. Improvisa modavazo wa lona hore ho be mnandi ka ra malapa lona. Kube mnandi nandi. Number 2, banna ba lona ba tsebe o dula le lona ezindleni. Ka di weekend eso monna hao a reke jwala, if monna hao o nwa jwala a reke jwala. Thank you so much to be a member of the club. Guys, tap on screen man. Ke bona dipelo tsena di tsamaya swa ka tsena. Zihamba kancane tap on hle batho modimo. Lona mare le etsa jwa tap on screen bana ba go ga e rile di nyolo e dira. Ha le qetile le ne le re di gift. Yes. So guys, my biggest vision, my plan ya ka ke hore ke batla be monate manyalong a lona. Kube mna di mechatweni. Number 2, banna ba lona ba spende nako le lona. Abafazi benu ba spende le spende a quality time le banna ba lona. And one of the things that can make you le spend a quality time le spend a quality time le mona. What's my king? Kim Davos. Davos can be part of a guy somewhere. Let's spend the quality time. Number 2, wabona ibile Mdavos otbo usha powerful le yetsa hali partner. Let's say niasela ne le batho ba bo Holy Communion. wena le motho wa le Holy Communion ke kopa ke late ska la tsamaya 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 John, yo, Johnny, obana ebile, mohlala, if le tshwara ka grape tizer tje. Ha le monna le mosadi kapa le couple na. Be le re especially haiba le nwa morara ni se le triwe le nwa morara ne if le couple le nwa morara ne mamelang basadi ting mamelang reka morara man reka morara lo be ka tlu nina bafazi abadoda wena asela I grape akre mirara ene ya fapana driwe dia fapana hona lena e sawa iqeta wena no e sawa nyana so ona le grape juice na ke rata sometimes ke rata ona o sawa ona sometimes nna ke rata ona o sawa nyana o re ga o nwa bore zi wa bona now wa bona ha le batla o enjoya mdavaso ya pele skela kwatela banna ba lona rather buy morara o thengi driwe o reke metsi ana a red kiana ako ke tsena metsi ana fel a red ne agree la fapana hona le tsane tse le dinwang tsane tsa lekeishene la bona tsane tse tsang tsa lekeishene wa bona tsa bonto bo savana tsa lekeishene wa bona wa khona e reka le yona e wa bona eza se lokishini wa bona tsena tsa lekeishene tsa bo savana wa bona khona o di reka wa bona ke tsa lekeishene tse ke tsa lokishini tse o reka bo savana ha le qetile be le tulela ka tlung ya hao thank you ba member ya club ya November ha qetile o reka yena ya location savana ne ha qetile be le beya ka tlung and then o bo be le betsa le babedi sometimes guys it's very important to especially when wena o le motho a driwe ngumuntu o driwe le nwa le babedi le nwe le babedi but le skela tawa ke kopa le nku sa nunxila skela tawa ha le batla ho etsa mdavazo umnandi ai o tsalo na bantse ba join a family club bare we want to be a family part of the family bantse ba lahlela dintho mona bare we want to be part of the family ya November uNkulunkulu yani busise modima le bless jole le skela tawa guys ke apele but there's nothing wrong I personal nazenzile November ai nna ke na bothata ha ke tshwara motho ha ke ka nyala mosadi ya rata morara o tlhutlhuweng o tlhutlhuwe morara o tlhutlhuweng batho mdiskela re tsekisa ninga se Louis skela to re lwantsha hore runa re bate re ja re nwa morara si re nwa driwe mare e tlhutlhuweng Now, ha le qetile be le re ho be monatinyana fela le re hanyane libe tipsinyana linganqeli because once monata wa fela ilo shwa nthwane ya hae ha itlo ema hantle bona ha itlo ema hantle nix ha izuqina ha itlo tia nix. Now ke bua le lona batho ba ka ramanyalo tloelang ho leleka banna ba lona hore na ha o tlo nwella ka tlunyana tsa maolo nwella ba khotsing bana ba hao nka morara o rete kapa o mosweu o white and then ha le qetile le dule ka tlung ya lona ha le qetile le be le re morara wa lona ka di glasses tsa lona ha le qetile le hlape pele ni hlambe qala le hlape pele le hlape le hlape pele ha le qetile be le re morara wa lona ha le qetile then ha le qetile jole le tlo explore ho tlo ba monate le tlo enjoy dintho tse pedi le tlo enjoy morara and then le tlo enjoy mudavazo jwale mudavazo lesla akre ke le rutile ka re mudavazo ke ntho batho ba ka reng ba tawe if o batla enjoy mudavazo ncila tawa hanyane but akre if u tawa of the drunk you're not going to enjoy mudavazo haholo but kaukhe mudavazo o monate ka re ha e ka rutauwe mare if you want to enjoy mudavazo beside taba ya ho tawa o ncila nindive guys ke re mudavazo o monate ha e ka re le tauwe if you want to enjoy mudavazo yenzani ingathi ninqilile batho ba hlola ba re batho bana ba di videos and videos it is into the video tsena tsa dipono batho ba rata rona di video tsena tsa dipono batho ba etsang dipono ba sebedisa di drugs ke re I don't believe hore batho ba sebedisa di drugs. Yes, I believe maybe ba di sebedisa but make no mistake I don't think hore kaofela bana ba sebedisa di drugs batho bana I don't think so because one thing for sure when you want to enjoy mudavazo ya pele switch your mind off ibulala ingqondo yakho switch your mind off and ya pele kore le hlape libe clean ha le qetile and then switch your mind off ingathi ngilunga nqelanga ikaruta but le satawa ne kya pele now you switch your mind off you don't think about anything when hale batla enjoy mudavazo you don't think about anything anicingi nix ha una hane hore mang o ho etsala alina hane nix if le batla enjoy mudavazo wa lona let's get you just switch your mind off kape ya bobedi I like batho bana ba nwang morara ba nwa morara ai bano morara jale bano morara kinya morara he yetsa morara part eke lona ba ngahlela ka di ice cream lona ba mphandi ice cream lona ba mphandi ice cream ba ntshapa ka di ice cream ai jale hale qetile le anhlantsha le mpha di gift tjena le tsa jole ke matha bohloko jwale ke matha bohloko jole ha le qetile if le batho ba morara le batho ba John chapter 2 Jesu a fetola metsi a wa yetsa ing ne le be le re di glass salon be le re le be ka re e ka re ni ka nqeli lona ke le tshepa be le tlatao ni zo nqela gore lona ke le tshepa re tlatao Baba Malu, aleta wele a robala, nale antina. Baba Malu aleta wele a robala. Hey, ninga nwili. Ay, lona like le tsep. Kore na what's on like it's about hotaletsa ntho tse ntle because le a di senya dintho tse ke re hotaletsa so ni a ncila le tlabe le tauwe jwalo yo mo sa khaleile mo o sa gona and jwale taba ya hore ebe jwale ne le batla ho enjoy Mdafaso jwale plan e senyehile mo shekile plan ngoba ngoko sekukho lo nqile ngoko enqaqe bunqile uyalala wa khona now le to enjoy Mdafaso wa lona is either le enjoy Mdafaso wa lona le sanwa next. Now if le batho ba nwang Holy Communion le khona nka di glass tse pedinyana tse le etsang le be tipsinyana le nke di Holy Communion and then le fihle le bitse di glass tsa lona tse Holy Communion. Now le etsa hore le skela ba di kelellong tsa lona le skela ba di kelellong tsa lona and a kre kana go tsene le hlapile. Thank you guys kana go tsene le hlapile and le skela le bala kre kitsa le hlapa le exoso man ai clap ya November ya eketse bon ke bana ba ntse ba eketse ba we want to be part of the family ba ntse ba nlatlela ntse go bedu ba di be mo but we want to be part of the family. Thank you so much guys ka di gift ka everything. So now the reason why le tshwanela or le be tipsinyana it is because now le batla switch akelo la lona off jwale le batla o enjoy jwale le batla o enjoy Mdafaso. Now ninga le bali ke ngo nditheni ke itse ha le hlapa ne ha le hlapa le hlape to an extent le hlape to an extent le kenya le hlapa until deep le hlapa haholo le hlapa haholo le hlapa haholo guys le hlape le be clean ha le qetile ke bobedi le tlo Holy Communion ne le be tipsinyana. Now le tlo enjoy no le tlo explore no re tlo khutlela hanyane tabeng explore but ke batla re tlo bua ka taba hore how we break out jwang ice re approach di partner tsa rona jwang ka taba yena ya Mdafaso ba approach jwang ne because una le batho ba bamba o thola hore oko inini ile lona ha le so kgone ho bua ka taba Mdafaso bila le kgone ho kenella into details ne. So now ba Holy Communion ba sa nwing Holy Communion lona ba sa nwing Holy Communion ba sober. There is nothing wrong to shut your mind off beside shutting your mind kanto ka Holy Communion. You make sure that you switch your mind off lona ke tsebe lenka bo metsi abo holy abo Bishop Zondo ba kena kereke sa bishops ba kena kereke sa bo bushuri lenka metsi abo bushuri ba kena kereke sa bo mporo le ka kereke sa lenka metsi abo mporo ba kena kereke se sisi lenka ditie tsa lona le nwa ditie kre ba bang ke ba Holy Communion ba bang ke ba bo metsi lona because akre ha le nwe bo Holy Communion ni ngwele le halalela. So ba halalela nka metsi ya baruti ba dona a di abo prophetess le no le di kofi tsa lona tsa di le kofi tsa lona tsa di nke di kofi le di tietsana tsa di pheko le bo metsi a ngotseng holy water a le qetile le metsi ya lona and then a qetile le davasane o be monate le explore. Now step number 1, how do you start? By approaching your partner. How do you break the ice? Uqala phi ke ngoku to approach your partner. Muqala kae taba ya partner ra, muqala kae taba partner ra. If you batla or le explore dinto uqala kae ka taba partner ra. Re bueng ka yona. Ya pele uqala mo. If le nyalane if lenyalani wena le motho wao anizange nithethe alisobika bomdavazo into details yapili tell your partner yaka what's ki decide le ka tlunye we need to improve motho waka yapili o tla ka strategy sa o jetsa partner rao or baby o tsoma ki decide le ka nete baby ke khaletse re improve se mdavazo wa rona motho waka ne o iqala mo ke khaletse re improve se mdavazo wa rona we ubua ekare le ingathi ya support ubua fela gore baby wa tsa khaletse re ke re improve se mdavazo wa rona ke o bolela motho ka tsa ke ne ke nahana o ibe jalo re tsa ne ke nahana baby gore mara a tsa ke ipotsa mara nna le monna ka ke batla re ke re improve se mdavazo wa rona kapa o bua gore nna le mosadi wa ka re ke gala re improve se mdavazo wa rona wa bona o iqala ka e ka re le a ngokola e ka re le a qoqa fela ka re le a qoqa fela gore baby ke gala re improve se mdavazo wa rona man wa tsoma and what are you saying jwale o yetseng o breaker ice no ha o qale ka o rujetse motho wa gore baby ke nana baby ke gala re etse tsena o break ice ka gore baby a tsoma re gala ne ke ntse ke le botso if you are lazy if o ntse le botswa o tswafa ka mdavazo nqena kapa o se interested if ba tla improve some mdavazo wa ya pele o tlo iqala mona gore baby wa tseba ke ama we hore mara ke botswa ka taba mdavazo ne I'm very lazy ka taba mdavazo but ne ke nahana ke le one wa bona hore no mana tso ke batla improve some mdavazo wa ka le wena baby now ke ntse ke nahana motho ka mara o nahana re ka etsa jo we throwela ho yena ntweng we lahlela ho yena hore baby o nahana re ka etsa eng hore re improve some mdavazo wa rona ne o tla ba ha nna ke tseba nna ke ipotsa re ka etsa jwang then or mara baby nahana fela ke motho wa ka o tla ka suggestion o tla ka ha o tle ka suggestion o di throwela ho yena re baby mara wa tsa ke galla hore re improve se mdavazo wa rona ha o qetile bora mara ke tsebe re tlo etsa jwang batho yena o nahana eng then ha qetile tla bara ha ke tsebe re etseng ne ha o qetile bora mara ha o nahane hore ke re shebelle help marjole ba bang ba lona guys ke tshaba lo le jetsa dintho tsena because jwale le tlo di etsa le tlabele di etsa le bang man has na la ntena wa tseba sure ha nna qala bona batho ba ntenang so yo ha ile ntena ene le ntena wa se bila le sampili gift so yo na le ntena wa se hle o na la ntena hle sure ana la ntena kore ke tshaba le jetsa because jwale ha le qetile e tla ha le qetile tla be se le di etsa le bang dintho tse o tla bo se yetsa le because wa tsona ntse ne ke galla ro yetseng ne ke na le dite even ka tlung ka mo dite nna ke na le di DVD ke na le di DVD tsa mdavazo ke na le tsona nna ke tshaba le na ntena nna ke le tshepe le tlabele tonne mahlo le bang o so e shebella le mo ale DVD tseo kapa dintho tseno ke tsa batho ba batlang ha le babedi and batho ba letsa I know people Bazalwane ba Holy Communion Holy Cross Choir Holy Jerusalem Holy Messiah Holy South Africa ba tlo jetsa hore ho shebella diphono it's a thing I get be aksoka ke bona Bible aksoka kopala di scriptures seo I don't want to say no the ba maka mfuna uxoxa ke tsibe akina bushoka ntweng ne akina bushoba yona mara batsona ba ka bolela it's not right to watch the videos of porno which now I believe it's not right it's not good when you shebela do one I believe that personally I alone ke a dumela hore akukho right ukuthi uzijwengelele uyi-one because wena o shebeletse uyi-one ke man motla bo DJ ya o DJ wetsa mehlolo o DJ bontate ba bangata jwale ba tlabe ba se ba fuduka na le ntinela net dintho tsena na le ntinela ntho di tla se di tonne mahlole le bang o so dutse ka morungu le mong o se ntse o tepeletswe ntse gore nna ke tsebile le kgothaletsa ntho tse ntle a ke tsebile le kgothaletsa ntho tse ntle because le di misuser le tlo di misuser le tla be se le shebeletse le bang le dutse le bang ka dikamoreng o so hlele wetwa o so DJ ya jolo so sidila o sidila lihlo la nku ala lihlele kusha o tla bo le sidila lihlo la nku o le sidila Valentina. But I personally, I don't think there is something wrong when wena le motho wa hao le shebella ntweni le babedi ingxaki ya mngane inye bothata ba ka bobuntu le tlabe se le shebella le mo full time bohloko ba lona ke bona bona ha ke le tshepele ntweni fela ha ke le tshepele wa bona yeno he ha ke le tshepele yona nix e ka re ntse ke sa le tshepele no because wa tshwana le na le bo le na le bo le na le bo Valentina la ke le tshepele Valentina. Why? Because, you know, guys, we need to bring our partners. And especially when you are active, come Davos. If we're not active, come Davos. But your partner is slow. We need to have things, guys. Partners zethu zize ndihle mona morelinde. Very important to bring your partner, especially lona ba active ka Mdavazo. Bring your partner to Mdavazo to mutlise a level nyawo because guys akhonto frustrate njengokuhlala nomuntu ongathanda uMdavazo osarata uMdavazo norata uMdavazo yo how honanto stressa frustrate thola ka motharata uphile le motharata Mdavazo asa rata Mdavazo wena o rata o thola o rata Mdavazo uphila le mothasa rata Mdavazo yo ihlanza hey ya phambanisa lanto iyahlanza ntweni guys ke kopa lo jwetsa nete bomme lona ba sa rata Mdavazo please upgrade because you know when usarata Mdavazo and then your partner arata Mdavazo then ubori umuthi arata Mdavazo no skarata Mdavazo you are punishing that person, you are frustrating that person because it's like mutorata ndijo buru no don't eat, don't like food mutorata ndijo buru no don't eat. You are punishing that person. And kabu mani Mdavazo umunate halu rata le babeti yo Mdavazo umunate halu rata le babeti yo Mdavazo umunate halu rata le babeti Mdavazo umunate halu rata le babeti le babeti Mdavazo mnata lo rata le babedi le wild le ba wild le ba man le mona fela Mdavazo mnata lo rata le babedi yo Mdavazo mnata lo rata le babedi yo guys Mdavazo mnata ka ke re jet ele ka tswa why kana go tsedi wa tswa manyalo ona le di relationship hai so boninto ebhlungu njengale obanyela manyalo le di relationship e kare before motho nyala o isiwe ha o thola partnera ilo iswe kana motšhini wa no bitswang detective of the truth. Detective motšhini wane wa detective ke detective of hotspot. Motšhini wane man thusehle because you know why ke buang to because guys, you know one of the things frustrating ka malapeng a rona lie detective ke yona e ka re ka iswa lie detective. Yeah, because you know why one of the things frustrating ka Mdavas etsa gore o kopane le motho a rata Mdavas o mongwe a sa rate Mdavas ke the reason why most of the time kwenza kanjalo it is because o tla thola gore o rata o mong ha o rate ntho etsa gore le se la matcha ka Mdavas. Sometimes it is because most of the time batho ba matche le ka lerato o zo thola ba hona le na ratang ye mong ha rate e mong and when o phela le motho a sa rateng motho a sa rate Mdavas yo motho a sa rate ha rate Mdavas wa hao yo motho a sa rate hle a rate le Mdavas wa ke itseba o na le mo nkileng ka kena teng leetong lena la ka leetong motho a sa o batle ha o batle le Mdavas wa hao ke tswa teng yes e ka re le ka tholwa life detective e ka re le ka thola motšhini wa life detective kore a checkwe motho ena gore wa o rata kapa wa o rate because batho ba le ba leshano motho tla bantsa re wa o rata o tla mmona ka nako eo le etsa Mdavas gore motho ha o rate next ta o jwetsa bona nna e ka re le ka thola life detective of that one of the detective of the test of the check. E ka re ka thola motšhini wa life detective ele o motšha nna ebile ha ke thola partner ke batla mo isa life detective ba lo mo check ba mo ise life detective nna nkile ka kopana le motho ene re ha re davazana gale ke di bona ye kudala ndi sibona o sieno ene ka re ke Jesu a le sefapanong o na etsa tje o na shebela kwana a ba bula matsoho tjena e ka re o etsa Eloi la basaba ka ona bula ai kunziwa basaba ibingathi uye bunyana omntu sana ene ka re ke mora motho ha o tleletse sefapanong esithi Eloi la masaba ka 10 modimo ka o sieletse a bula matsoho a wa robatsa tje a wa beya ka thoko tje ha qetile ba shebela kwana nna ebile le batho le ba kwalang mahlo forever when le etsa Mdavas fela motho e vale mehlo o ka re motho wa intercity ha ke ba tshepe hampe ba o se makale ka nna ba o rate kopa o tima hitara ebile ke a tjha khona yo when o davazana le motho ba kwala mahlo a qimele ngathi uyathandaza nna ke ba tshepi bana ndibone ngamehlo wamsana ndibona umuntu elali ngathi ubethelele umnqamlezweni inika roshapeletse sifapano nje eka ruri je eloi la masaba katana modimo ka ntweletseng ke nke matswahana hae ke wa be mokokotlong wa ka ke wa be lethekeng la ka ke batla ra ntshwara a uswa ka bengani bambitula sisa isuka ene yona nto yabona ingxaki isuka apha bantwana bam bothata bohlamo mathata a hlaha when hona le ya ratang e mong a sa rateng e mong lentine la fela o sang gift o bona yena o sang gift fela intina e etsa popelo ya ka re popelo ya ka e etsa wumpu ya ka e etsa yes le ntse le etsa jwang mara ngifte ha le petile ya khele di ice cream mo a khele di ice cream lona mara le etsa ha le petile le tape screen tap screen ha le petile le join club man join club le etsa jwang mara hey bana ba se mthene ke tshwere mo hey bothata ingxaki ene bona o bona lona ba join club ba join club ke a le rata le ba hae le part of the family le part of the family from today le part of the family le part of the family yeah le part of the family bana baka guys o bona ntotlo le frustrate that is why ke hlolang ke tshwe ke reng you can fake everything but you cannot fake love. You can fake everything but you cannot fake love. Kungozi ukuphila nomuntu ongamthandiyo. Ukotsi yabuhloko ukuphila nomuntu osamrateng. Guys, thank you so much ka di gifty, ka o joina club, ka o ba member ya family ya November. Thank you so much. Guys, ukotsi ukuphila nomuntu osamrateng because when le davazan, mdavazo, it's for two people and about ba ratanang and about ba enjoy, ba connecta. Mdavazo ko about ba ratanang le batho ba connecta and who easy who explore mdavazo when le ratana ibile le connect. Mdavazo is for two people abathandanayo ba ratana. Number two, mdavazo is for people ba connecta. Thank you so much, family. About joining. Bantavar fella, Rebata wa family. Mdavazo is for two people. Ba ratana number two ba connecta. Guys, I will never to settle limutos and rati. Never. I'm getting the answer alone. I will never do that because I know when you try to accommodate a mood, but lisa rata mood, you're going to struggle to be Mdavazo. Hey. Baba ba yo mashe ba oma nke if ukopana le motho sa mrating ukopana le motho sa mrating ioma it ioma je ioma iba le nganga it iba dry fruits iba dry fruits bana ba go high iba dry fruits iba dry fruits yalinganga jani it ma and jwale bohloko ha ise ntse je ke man jwale mo tshwantse re ne re hai kunzima basala Ai unibulale. Undibona unibulale. Hayi khona. O tshwantse o sanitize. O tshwantse o sanitize ka mathi jwale. O sanitize ka mathi. Yeah. And how can I sanitize? 1, 2, 3, get dry fruits. Eating. Suka. Suka. That is the biggest problem. That is why a lot of people, they can't explore Mdavas. Why? Because of one, love. Now, 2, but Mdavas is for Batwaratana. Then, Halipetile, Lelata the DVD, sometimes, le kena mona, kribati mona, le subscribe, da mona, le subscribe, if it was subscribed, le subscribed, Marnax or I get subscribed. I don't know, ke le fe tip nna he fa ke le fe tip nna ene ke le ka o tla tlamina tshuja nna ne ke etsa ne re etsa tsa rona di video tsa rona ne re etsa tsa rona di video nna le my ex mama wa ka ema ne re etsa video tsa rona so ne le soka le re trendisa no re a le tshaba no le a re trendisa no le a re trendisa no le a re trendisa no but nna le motho wa ka yeno wa gale ne re etsa tsa rona di DVD a re qetile and then a re qetile di etsa di DVD tsa rona and then a re qetile and then nene re ka be re shebella di DVD tsa rona hi you know why? Because it's difficult, guys, to, especially when you kopana le monna a safe. Kunzima explore. It's difficult to explore Mdavas when you kopana le monna safe. How kopana le mosale safe? That is why ya pele kitse try ngo shebela bo di DVD. And nenga zwitshongele le nino to skela di shebela le bang dinto tseo. Guys ke a le kopa. Skela shebela dinto tseo le bang. If you don't have a partner, skala shebel. If you have a partner, di shebel. You know why? Because how many di shebel? You know later, di khono le tlisa mo. Di khono o le tlisa mo. Ke hlola ke re ho batho ke hlola ke re ho batho. When you play a gospel song it feeds a spiritual person. You know what put we utlwela bohloko arna tabalona ro khatha lebile fotse ka rena tabalwe lebo moswabi arna tabalwe na phuthele utlwela bohloko jwa because there is nothing wrong if ubatla o phamisa o batla o feed a spiritual person o bapala dinto o bapala the gospel song how qetile o shebela the music gospel music o shebela gospel music is for a spiritual person is when o bapala dinto a kere ke le jwetse ka re bazalwane bana ba iketsa betia di nonsense tse di gamorso tse tsa bazalwane ke le jwetse ka re ntho tsena di iketsa betia ra bohloko tsena ba tsentsa better ke yona santsa tlile o tlo bua ka phutheo ya ka nonsense ena o tlo iketsa betia mona hore o qanela maphuthe wa ka o kena kae because bilena ha se mophutheo o entsa hantle ha fotseke mona ha fotseke ibile una tshwantse mo o night prayer a ke tsebo ba tlang mona molotsana ona o no tshwantse night prayer le mene tu wela mosadi o tlo dula mona o qetile o tlo bua ka hore o qanela phutheo ya ka mara o qetile o dutse mo a gospel ha re letsa di gospel song is for we are feeding the spiritual person. When ubapala DVD tabo Benjamin Dube uba shebeletse, you are feeding a spiritual person. I don't know what it is the wrong thing to feed a flesh person. Now, mutwana mobitwa a flesh person. Flesh. And I get it is when ufida nama is to feed you, especially when Lily Babette. Guys, now you don't love. Please forgive me. I get Bapuloswa. I don't think sending the kids alone. I don't think it's alone. I don't think it's a Bapulosman. And then next one's be Hallelujah for Kufile Lily the night prayer. Next one's be the night prayer. I get you about Bapulos. I don't know how it is wrong to sit down and check something that can stimulate your mdavazo drive. I don't know, is it wrong to sit down and check something that can stimulate your mdavazo? I don't know, is it wrong? I can say, is it wrong to stimulate? Because guys, on a serious note, let us be honest. Abantu booster the spiritual person. They play song by now, Hallelujah, I don't know whether is it wrong or link to video salon, kapalike salon. Marninga vezubuso. Let's get like salon. Let's get like salon. Libeli the video salon just to boost the flesh person into enyam. Le khutise ditakatso tsa lona hore le khone o enjoy. Now I was doing that. And I kana go tseno ne ke nyetse kana go tseno pele ben shatile. Qala in my first marriage be science. I can say, hey, is it wrong? Lona ba pholoso le tla decide bo holy messiah. It's up to you. I get say bo lona le phela jwang lona ba pholoso, but nna ki bua le batho mona ki bile ba pholoso mo ki bua le lona mo lona ba pholoso ke le khathala ke tsebile kena ka. I don't know, is it wrong now? Number 2, but the only thing that I know, it can be dangerous. It's when you shebela dintho tse only one, only makeup or inta to shebela dintho tse, because now when you shebela only one, they will push you to come to the stage more to masturbate. That's when I think that's when the problem. If we shebela only one, now we talk masturbate. That's when it will be a problem. But to get the DVD now, when the shebele partner, kapa unge the DVD then, when the shebele partner how? I am not sure, guys. I'm not sure in which scripture or it is wrong. I'm not sure. I can see. But to take back, we emphasize, guys, it's very important. We must have a certain drive at Tswana Yamdavas. We need to have a similar drive Yamdavas, so that we must able to explore and to enjoy Ndavazo. A similar, you know, guys, there was a time when Kibona Linyalo Laka Lito fela, Leling, Umanyalo Aka, Leling, Itak Bonar Lito fela, and Musabiaka Sarati Ndavazo, Emung, Haraba Saribane Banyet, Omuna Saratim Davos, Nasarati, nix. Amara, it was not like Nasaratim Davos, Nasaratim. So, what one it let's say Kibuamaka, Mpote Nekira Tauri. Mpote Nekira Tauri. Kilo Jets Nekira Tauri. Because Nasaratim Davos. What's one it gets? Something is not right. ke kopa skelatso ke kopa skelatso ka speed guys skelatso ka speed fe skelatso ne ke ra kopa o checka something ke tlo re jwetsa something ka speed Khutlang. Ke bona ka re ne ke feletse ene ke tseba ke na le Wi-Fi mona mara data ka ne fedile ke tseba what happened so data ka ne fedile and then ke connectile Wi-Fi mara ne sa sebetsa ke tseba etsa eng you know what happened ha ne ke phela le bothana sa rate Mdavazo o mong hara di ex tsaka I end up se ke bua maka mpotse ne ke reng guys ke le jwetse ne ke reng when ke bona re lenyalo le tlo fela ke bona re marriage ona o tlo fela jwalo and already motho ka utsa sa rate Mdavazo na sa rate Mdavazo shota ke qala ke etsa dintho tse ding ke qala ke communicate le ex tse engwe ya ka tjena ke qala ke communicate le ex ya ka tjena and then itse qala ke communicate le ex ya ka tjena na and then hana go ntse tsamaya ke qala ke tswa ka tlung bo late mpotse ne ke re ke a kae ne ke ya di security bosiu ke re ke ya di security mpotse ne ke a kae ne ke ya exeng engwe tjena eneng re connecta ka Mdavazo ka sehloho guys ke kopa ke le jwetsa ke ne ke tswa ka tlung ke be ke re ke ya exeng be ke re ke ya di security mara ke le maka ke be ke ya exeng ya ka ne ke tseba re davazana ka sehloho ne ke tswa le ka 1 o'clock 2 o'clock tlang ke le jwetsa if I le connect if I le improve Mdavazo lona guys Mdavazo guys Mdavazo o ka etsa hore monna wa hao kapa mosadi wa hao a create ditori if a le improve Mdavazo wa lona motho wa ka create ditori a ba o sia ka tlong ba tsamana a lo batla Mdavazo somewhere ke tswa mo andixoki bendiyenza ke enda pele se ke create ditori ke re yo nna ke lo sheba di security and 2 agree batho ba sa batle Mdavazo ba robala flat agree batho ba sa rate Mdavazo ba robala ba lalinga tikidi ba shwele ka re ke di moshara ne ke tsoa ke tsamaya nna ne ke tsoa nna because batho ba sa rate Mdavazo agree if motho a sa rate Mdavazo o za uzlalisa ne ke tsoa straight be ke tsamaya be ke starta ko le be ke ya somewhere ke fihle ke exchange ya ka ke fihle ke Davaze ha monate ke Davaze ha monate qotile Davaza ha qotile ke khutle ha qotile be ke tla ke etsa tse ke khotse fuck off I'm a wena you still a pastor I'm a wena fuck off I'm a wena it's none of your business ke khotse ke nizawuxelela ndim ke xa ndikutsi ke kele dikobong le menemene lena le thobaditse le menemene le thobaditse kapa le robetse kapa le thobaditse and yes le thobaditse kapa le robetse a ke tsebe nna qetile a qetile bebile ke robala dilelo kwe sana ke robala jole ka ngwana monnyane ke gotse because it's dangerous gore nine ndlini le le monna le mosadi belisa try. It is not an easy thing, but you can try it, guys. It's not an easy thing to match a standard some divorce, but it's very important to try to match the standard of Mudavasto. Very important, guys. It's very important to try to match the standard of Mdavisto. Very important, guys. Because you can enjoy, you can do some, you can spend some. But let's go back to Tabayo break ice. How do you bring your partner to a level Mdavasto? Chongelelani. Let's go and check. I mean, how to share the DVD, kapale share little babeti, le share the DVD, hali petile bele davazan. Lauka tu shile pelo. Then hali shebelet ne, hali shebelet. Generally, gote baby marata style safe mo. Orata position, bona yan baby, bona position yan, bona position yan. Yo! Mwanaka, liko posa. Do you know that, guys? Haliko ikata DVD. Haliko ishebella man. Haliko fail. Because now you are trying to bring your partner to your level. Le try meter standard isalona le babet. Liko iposa. Haliko ikata. I quit. Next I quit. DVD tane. Nersa dikete. Neritra shebela net 1 2 3. Ruto rarsa khona. Asakwa save kuto. Asakwa dibe DJ fat. Nersa khone. Kya bobedi. Ya hore o try o tlisa partner ya to level ya hao ya Mdavazo. Try yang o shebela especially le babedi. Ya boraro. Ne agree apele kitse baby. Agree apele kitse uzoqala lo mntu wakuthi baby wathi mo re ke khala hore ke re improve se Mdavazo wa rona ke nnete ke khala hore ke hobe monate ke tlo fa Mdavazo ke batla re fanane ke apele ya bobedi le try o shebela dintho tsene le babedi skala le bala guys le babedi ke a le kopa please guys le babedi ya boraro sometimes ska hlaisa sfahleo but romela motho wa dintho fela or baby I miss this urmela motho wa fela or baby I miss this thing ke galla o tlo nkitsa tjena Jesus. Okay, if Luna halogone let's say Luna halogone o shebe ena accent una rumella video abar fela yo baby khala e ka renka o ka tlonketsa ntweng abar tada fela abai lahlela fela ke khala e ka ruka nka yetsuwa ntweng abai lahlela fela abar fela khalmelang bishop aska tla ka nonsense khalmelang bishop aska tla ka nonsense bishop re o kopa ka bikokobetso fokofa mo profeta mdimo o lo ye di night prayer re o kopa fok of bishop wa ka para tsa mo shebela night prayer ya night praying fok of bishop fok of so mo sheba night prayer tlo re tina mo tlo mpotsa gore tlo njwetsa ka enigma o itse lefatshe le a fela ke le la ntse le le teng. Fuck off, Bishop. Fuck off. Fuck off. Skala mo blocker. Skala mo blocker. Skala mo roka ke tla dilana le ena ka level e tshwana le ya hae. Ke tla skala roka Bishop. It's a man of God. Nna ke tla dilana le ena Bishop waka. Lona a le level nya ga se le mo respect. Nna ke tla dilana le ena ke colleague yaka. Fuck off my Bishop. Fuck off my Bishop. Fuck off. Go to night prayer. Le are sugudisa Bishop man. Bishop le are sugudisa man lona. Actually beret o no tshwantse o night prayer o marapela. Nna ke tsebo Bishop le batla mo. Runa re bua ka mdava zo no to re hopotsa ka bo enigma. O itse enigma o itse re a hlwibile re so hlwibile. So motho e moe ke buang ka ena o na rata re fela re tada a fitlang la hlele ntena re yo ke galla o yetsuwa so. Now you are bringing o jetsa motho wa gore baby ke galla ho yetsa o mare ba bomba tlo makara now baby o tla nne o shebela di DVD tsena o nromela di ntho tsa mdavas o na le bontate ba jolo ba very strict o tla ba o lwantsha jolo o tla nne o shebela di DVD tsa mdavas ba tlo kwata but rather o mo jwetsa gore o mo romelle ya hao fela gore baby o mo romelle gore baby hle fanda ke galla o tlo nketsa so wa tlo etsa o tlisa kelelo guys. It's very important to tlisa di partner tsa runa leveleng ya runa ya mdavas. Very important guys. Very important to bring your partner to the level ya hao ya mdavas so that le gone o enjoy mdavas wa lona ha monate. Ke a le kopa bring your partner to your level. And be patient when you bring your partner to your level. Because if you don't bring your partner level in your mdavas, believe me, boy, little frustrated little frustrated when you don't bring your partner to your level. Little frustrated kasi zisa umtu wako level yako. Isa mtu wao level in your mdavas. Mutlise kadi tila tsohle, try tila tsohle. Zilinge zonke izinto, try everything that can bring your partner and make sure that in everything you don't show your face ungavonisi ubuso bakho ska bahlahisa sifahleho sawo please because akiba tlo sanele trend ska hlahisa sifahleho sawo but romela motho wa hao ha ke tsebe ka sekgowa but ke o sejusa motho wa hao tsebang o sejusa batho ba lona ka nako tse ding tsebang o sejusa motho wa hao ha o qetile mo prepare ene buang jwetsanang tlalela umntu wakho re fandaga baby fandaga ne ke galla ho yetsuwa so. And guys, if le Basotho e bueng ka Sesotho, say it ka Sesotho. Skela bua ka dikobo ya lona motho tla ba re yo fandaga kgaletse dikobo. Valentina Valentina o tla ba re yo a hlele fandaga kgaletse dikobo. Skela tsamaya I'm sorry, baby. Fandag, ke kgaletse dikobo. Motho tlo tlela dikobo ke tse. Motho tlo tlela kobo. Motho tlo tlela ka dikobo a re. Na ntse ngubo thando sa motho. Are, lona le kgathatsa matla wa tsong. Yo. say it. Scanner baby khaletse dikobo ka 2025 le tlo bua ka hore ke khaletse dikobo motho tla o tlala dikobo ye motho a re nance motho ba o apesa go bathise motho o apesa re mohatsa ka kubo ke yana guys khaletse when motho o bolela re baby I my life ya ba pholoso na o bua neta ke ba tlo ba mo pholoso sometimes fapa ya ba pholoso kore ba pholoso ka se mo jetse re baby khaletse ho konopela khaletse ho konopela ba pholoso ba tlo re wa rwakana o rude you are not holy how want to tell your partner baby fana ga khaletse re o tlonketsa tsena and tlonkele jetse guys ya bona zinto and this time rona re di bui ka ramanyalo a rona ha re di bui straight ka ramanyalo mara bona se fopang sa ntate modibone di side chick tsa lona le banna ba lona kapa le basadi ba lona ba di bua ba theta side chick ya hao ya monna e bolela monna re baby khaletse o fanda ga o tlonketsa tsena e bua ka sotho if ke mxhoso o itheta ngesixhoso o itheta ngesixhoso ukuthi namhlanje dikhalele gore ke la utla motho bolela re baby ke khaletse ho yetsuwa tse fanda gore baby gore le no ha ke itshwara lona khale re driver lona le tseba ke nna ke le jwetsa le anjacha ntho tse di na le ditsebe tse na le ditsebe hle tsenentlebe di utlwa yo ntho tse ntse so bone ntho tse ditsebe tse na le ditsebe o jwetse motho re baby ke khaletse o yetswa o ibue ka Sesotho ha iba le Basotho ha iba ke Xhosa ni khethe ngeXhosa ha iba le maZulu le ibue ka Sezulu ukuthi ndikhalele ukuthi if le bua English ibue ka English fanda I feel like in shona na we iutlwa ivangoku iva utlwe ifuthelo utlwe ifuthelo no, by doing that, utlisa partner ya hao level ya hore le qetelletse le ba leveling A1 ya mdavaso. Very important. Bazalwane giyanicela ke a le kopa. Ye nna gane ke tsamaile. Motho thada, motho fela, motho hlaise fela, ne ke re fela o bone fela. Mothabar fela ne ke re o bone gravy e mona umdati fela bona gravy e mona ke start koloi ana ne ke start koloi ana khale ke start koloi a khal 12 o'clock we start koloi we sharp utlo koloi duma ana khale tsamahla bothata it's when o kopane le ba pholoso ka la bohlwe ba tla ba o jwetsa ka Matthew chapter 3 yes o kila utla motho o jwetsa ka Matthew ka la bohlano yes o kila utla motho o jwetsa ka Matthew ka la bohlano golo hlano kore ka la bohlano mantsibo motho ba o jwetsa ka Matthew ka mareka yes le kila utla ho bua ka mareka ka la bohlano Akure ke papatso skela tsamaya hai Luka le ena ha monate man Luka le Matthew ha ba monate for Friday hai Luka le Matthew bo job hai batho bang hai ha ba monate for Friday So guys, let us bring our partner to our level yamdava so that le match le partner ya hao. Ke bile ka hore buang bontshanang mo bontshe mo rumelle dintho tsa mo bolelle hore o khaletse eng. And then ya braro I mean ya bo 4 ke ya bo 4 kapa ke ya bo 5 ke nwa ntho sbu ke nwa ntho metsi ya John chapter 2 ya o qetela ke ya o qetela yena o tso ngile ka reng ho rona ngile ka reng ho lona wa tso ngile ka reng ho lona le ntse le hopola ngile ka re ho lona ask your partner hore ke into emuthenang emkenyang gereng emuthenang ono ngile ka le botsa ntho nkare a go o botse motho hore ke into emuthenang ono ke a kwa a kre ngile ka le jwetsa sheri ka re ask your partner hore ke into emuthenang ono a kre la hopola ne la hopola ngile ka le jwetsa la hopola guys bua ntle la hopola mara ngile ka le jwetsa hore le botse batho ba lona ke into emuthenang ono. Okay, thank you. And yes, ba hopola. Then masterang dintho tseo tsa batho ba lona tsa batho nna ai nna kopa tlogele o bua ka nna ke kopa nna ke sa batla o bua ka nna ntate wa ka next door wa ka mo ona nqoqela a re yena ntho mo thenang ono ke lingerie le blumara bokare hai mapona ke wa bona mapona ai na ke wa bona mapona ke wa bona mara guys nna personal hai ke kopa o bua ka nna personal ai blumara boetsa fela ho nna mapona ke wa bona na if batla ntshama mapona ke wa bona mara blumara ngwana ka blumara hle blumara hle ene bana ba mola bo bosisane bo itseng bo bosisane bo ba thapo ngwanaka ntho e tjena blumara ntho e tjena ntho ya thapo yo if you want to if we batla ho ntlisa nna if batla ho ntlisa hore November Clomon if you want to bring me here tina blumara la ka re lingerie batla o qetile make sure that re ka ra lingerie hona le blumara ke bo bone ke bo amani emani emani blumara batho modimo blumara botsang batho ba lona hore ke finto engwe tena engwe tlisa when you want to bring your partner mo botse baby o tenwa ke eng on ke le jwetsitsa now ke a qetella jwang o mo botse hore baby o tenwa ke nna blumara hleng guys hai blumara hai hona le ma blumara man hona le ma blumara man hona le ma blumara guys hona le ma blumara hai hona le ma blumara man hona le ma blumara man hai yona yeno lebu yona yeo ke na mapuna nthokia mapuna ke wa rata mapuna ke wa rata mara hana daidi man ha o so punozela man personal ke bua ka nna jwale personal ha o so punozela ha ona ntha blumara ha o ka re lingerie ha o qetile bo re blumara bo ngwana go gae ha nke qabile motho khona ngoku nka kala makoloi wa bona no ke kgathetse ho sa ne ke tabe ke le Vredegem o sa ne ke le Vredegem nka ya Vredegem no ha yo na ska ba mapuna fe e ba mapuna but at the same time o buitse ntwena ye ahle so kya uqetela ask your partner baby what makes you someone tenang on then ha uqetile kya ya dilasio dress accordingly dress tina ho latella now when because now remember today we are trying to bring our partners here ne re batlisa leveleng ya rona ya mtavaso we want to improve them the partners tsa rona we want to bring the improvement to our partners tseba tse sokulang tse interested and guys bontate especially bontate tseba mo ratisa batho mtavaso na leyo ni yes tsebang ho ratisa batho mtavaso etsa mtavaso etsang gore motho utla a rata mtavaso etsang make sure that because who explore ho yetsa gore re qeteletse re experience dintho tse ntšha tse etsang gore re qeteletse re etsa jwang re twaye re ratisa ba rona batho mtavaso o ka kopana le motho a sa rate mtavaso o ya kwa ditibana le motho a rate mtavaso o ka kopana le motho a sa rate mtavaso but tsela yo o etsa mtavaso ka teng o ka etsa gore motho a rate mtavaso bona ke lo jotsa that is why ke galang gore le improve mtavaso wa lona le be clean how qetile tseba ene le yona haiba kwana ntse le jola go mmotse re baby wena o rata o rata mapona kapa o rata blumara ibuzeni le partner ya hao botsanang ka tlong gore baby mara ntlentle o rata blumara bana le di couple ask your partner now botsa your partner ra ona jalo baby mara hantlentle ke ntho e ratang ke mapona kapa ke mtavaso I mean ke blumara botsa batho ba lona and then how qetile make sure that you dress accordingly the way a ratang ka teng now kan tenela blumara wa re ntho wa re lingerie how qetile wa re blumara ka bona blumara ka ra lingerie nga o fele branch ba botshabelo nga o fele branch ba botshabelo nka fa branch ba botshabelo and ke batla blumara bona bo tswapelang o fumane ka writing bunyame tsa ke batla blumara ana ntina hampe di parachute o tla fana bile bo kenitchen ka ditonong bo kwetse stono se seng and then stono se seng se le ka ntla what into volantona wa ke parachute ai le tlo enjoy ha le qetile ya o qetela yena ke o qetela jwang yena ke o qetela when le batla o enjoy mtavaso ha le batla o explore make sure that you maintain a happiness maintaining happiness yenza ube mnandi ezindlini zenu etsa gore ube mnandi ka ramalapa a lona number 2 what's ba yetsang eng happy lona ke a dithusa man lona ke a dithusa ke ba qala ka bontate what's o yetsa if you want to make sure that gore mosadi wa o batla o jale o batla o tlo mo yetsa a explore o sheba gore mosadi wa o rata eng ha o totile mo botsa gore baby if I rata tšhelete gore baby what's ba vandag ke tlo fa 1,000 rand ka gore baby ke go pon rekisetse today o tlo motho ke go bona rekisitse ka 1000 rand o qetile o mphe ka tsile ke sa itlelang o mo jetse fela re baby fanda ke go ke tlo fa 1000 rand kapa if una le chelete mo jetse baby ke tlo fa 2000 rand o but today ke go pa fela tlo rekisitse ka 2000 and baby o mphe ntho ngwe le ngwe engwe le ngwe wa tso etsa wa mo motivate a ke re mamene a rata chelete mamene a rata chelete mamene a rata chelete mamene a rata chelete ore baby fanda ga go ba fela ke tlo fa 2000 rand o tlo mothoka and then out umphe baby umphe hle umphe jo baby umphe baby go for 2000 rand if una libo runa o tsebe runa ne re fela baby mphe ha monate o qetile ke tla fa phone ya ka o transfer tšhelete e batla runa ne re sebetsa jwang ne re fela baby o nke o tla transferela jwale go etsa o batla o jwale answer from the bottom of the heart wa mo motivate jwale wa mo motivate o tlo etsa dintho tse le yena a qala mo di etsa gore baby o tlo di o tlo etsa dintho tse o reng di qalo ibona le now exactly the same thing if monna wa hao o batla montsha from the comfort zone ya mdavaso o mo botsa if una le chelete o le mosadi ana le chelete if you know monna o rata bottle e fia ya ntho ya gin kapa ya brandy kapa ya wine o mo jwetsa re baby I'm going to give you if una le chelete mo jwetsa re baby today ke tlo fa 3000 kapa 2000 o jwetse monna wa hao kapa motho wa o mo jwetsa baby tlo fa 2000 o tsamaya ba khotsi bao ke tlo fa visa ke be ko fe 2000 monnaka o tsamaya ba today ke ba tlo mpha o yetse ntshongwe le baby ke batla fanda ke thuthumele jole ka sefate wa utlwa ha una le chelete o mo bribe ai Tenji thank you so much company ice cream tse ngata tse o mo bribe guys it's a motivation you are motivating your partner and again you are taking your partner from the comfort zone o jwetsa monna wa hao baby fanda the way ke khaletseng gore o tlo mpepeta ka teng fanda ke khaletse gore o mpepete gore ha o le tsena ke batla o thothumela jwale ka sefate out trape gore o thothumela jwale ka sefate ngwana ka re gru lona le so a tswa so thothumela o thothumela jwale ka ngaka le thuele sa tsebeng es na dipono ai wena lona you bribe your partner wa mo jwetsa re baby fanda ke go pompe ka tsela engwe e hlotse baby ke tlo fa chelete ya jwala if ke monna o rata jwala wa mo jwetsa re baby ke tlo fa chelete ya 4 quarts kapa ya 5 quarts kapa ke tlo rekela jwala but today ke go pa tlo trapa pa baby wa tswa letsa o montsha from the comfort zone o mo tlisa leveleng ya o yetsa gore jwale a o tla galla and ha qata o yetsa gore baby next time ke go pa tlo mphathe o mo jwetsa gore next time ke go pa tlo mphathe na now le tlo improve abon le tlo improve tshwantse motho a thothumele lona le tsebo re mdavazo wa mannete wa o thothumele ka re o timotlo mo ka re na le di-horis mdavazo wa nnete o tla o thothumedisa ngwanaka o tla o thothumedisa o nqanqazele o nqanqazele mntana o tla o thothumela lona le tsenix ka fela ka gore ke nke ba mamedi ke kwale mamedi ke go beya tlo kena mona ba babedi ba bararo fela botsang banna ba lona kapa botsa partner ya hao mo a leng teng gore baby mare o rata ke ntho o tenang on ke batla re bua ka ntho o botse motho wa mo a leng teng gore baby mare ke ntho o tenang on o tlo njwetsa gore o qala o e utlwa a e bua kapa incha kapa wa itseba na mo botse batho ba lona no before ke nka di call before ke nka ke le accept Murut o bua nnete mare wa ka o ya mokhukhung ke ntse ke etsa jwalo tlo go jwetsa uswaka if I am mokhukhung o ntse etsa jwalo now you need to o mo botse jwale ke efe ntho a e ratang mo botse gore ke efe ntho a e ratang hantle ke efe ntho and ha o mmotsa wa tseba gore o mo botse gore mara baby ke efe ntho fantasizang ka ke efe ntho e gallang yo sokang ore yo galla we experience mohlomong ha o so yetse le nna o mo botse jwalo gore baby mara ke efe nna ke fetsa ho ja no lona mara wena le rutlisa bohloko hle nana motho ke la re ra qeta ho ja no ai ehle nna la re duba anna arena go auswaka wena reng wa ha o ya mekhukhung o ntse o yetsa jwalo tlo go jwetse it means wa mokhukhung bona le ntho o bitang ka yona there must be something yo mo wa mokhukhung a o bitang ka yona and you need to know that and the only way you can know that or ke eng ntho e etsang gore a ye ho ya mokhukhung please ke kopa mo botse fela gore baby mplele ke fe ntho fantasizang ka yona Mama Kiara, today, Daddy, you are not talking to me. I have no one to ask her. Lega botan na kror, ke fin to sokang o filang hore. Botan na dipotso he. Arwa ka rata boroko. Ai lona le sero. Monna ke o kwatile alla la matata arwa ka o jwale no mo founela le jwale ai my lona le ntobo na waka hamu ake mubutsa arabi na waka hamu butsa ha o arabi bona ba tla rang arabi aka o nkene night chief mo founela ntse kene night chief nna ke na le yes ke sa e told yo bara ke le tlompotsa le nna batho ba sa tholeng le tlompotsa dipotso mpotseng dipotso e bana baka ha ile mpolaile ha ile mpolaile ya ke nka mmamedi jwale ke nka mmamedi jwale ke nka mmamedi jwale ke nka ba mamedi ba ka jwale ke nka ba ma
ke kena fela ke batla go jwetsa gore o nka botse wa bona o thothomelang jaaka sefate le di-horis I know what's I wanted. And a little holy, Mamela.
Bonamela Matima.
Isa, Bano intercede. Baratele Musika of more life. My bad, the modern lesson.
What's my nyenye? No one can believe Ribina wena umuruti wena. But bagasi dimeli bina wena umuruti wena. But you bring that fun. But you are at least a fun caralinyalo.
Premarital counseling. How do you into premarital counseling? Bao jwetsa fela o tlise sentate ka tray fela di ha ba bue dintho tse son di lessons tsa hao di a patalla wena Novi di a patalla wena my doctor dintho tse son di a thusa and how this department take a failure a relationship ya fail ya fail re a tsheya gona tše but ha re somo re ithutile tse pedi tse tharo
hlenge
le nna ke batla o thothomela so sefate ke thothomele ke ai ke batla di horisi tonight le kutlwe krempe
menwana ya maoto
ai e batla go tshwasi
a kempedisa pa mere kwa
nyenye o re batla o thuthumela tsatsing le
ai ke batla o thuthumela ai ke kgathetse ke batla gore ha morana Jesu a tlo re lata bese ke thuthumetse ha ke batla ke fihla le godimong a ntlofar o file monyetla o thuthumele a wa thuthumela a re o wait o bile useless ke a mo bona le bishop o nna kene mo lifeng ya gago o a di rata le re iketsa godimo o batlang a ke ra o sa rate life ya motho wa scrolla up or down wa fe mare wa di batla and o tono ra hai ho cold ya Joe
thank you nyenye thank you
so vibrate mo ho polele di krempe di teng le tsona
he ngwaneso ene tsena tsa menopause di worse jwang ai ntse motho ke na mo ya di menopause o me woma e ka re o isekeng o omella jaka e koje novi o ise o omella so seng
lenganga jani
novi
lenganga jani
o tshwanetse wa ithinta e wa tseba ya menopause ke go ba o etse session yai o omella e ka re o fruit mama
nyenye we nyenye we
dry fruit e omeritse ke menopause ngwaneso Jesus
nyenye kumai nyenye oh nyenye
ya fernageng ka o sa ya fernageng
ke tabe ke le Vernageng ka re Bishop Zondo na le event ya celebration
oh a re tla kopana teng
o tlo le temo
ya mare ke na le event during the day ke tla ka gala dinner
oh yes miss ke re tla kopana teng he re tla kopana teng
tla kopana teng
sharp madale banye
sharp
sharp miss kat guys kima Sherry
yena
wena na le motho ka bona mangwe Sherry
akina ke wa tseba
amare Sherry nna le tina hore batho ba modimo modimo le file di gift le etsang ka tsona mara
nzamele motho he o neng ke re ke re o nthapedise o neng ke re ke tlo e beya matsomo e ba o ka e ba ditso ke tla ba lucky
abangenzi
o nketseditse letsatsi hano ga ntato le go foka a re tle botlhabeng ele wa re o no tsamaya o ya kae o no tsoa o ya kae
ke ya di-security ne ke tswa ke ya di-security ke re ke lo sheba di-security gore di theoetse ka go fela kwa
mare moruti wena o phetse wa tseba a bophelo bo bo phetse man
a ke re se ke phelela lona ke tlo le thusa ka di-experience a ke re ke phelela lona nyenye
go tla o thabile o motse molomo o le mosetlha o lebetse le go tsamaile o kwatile
banna eri banna ba hana go fana ka go fa basadi ba bona mdavaso monna mosadi o tla kena a tswa go gora mosadi a ba bina Tsanana, a botse mona re baby tloja. A gro dutse bona ra ke batle dijo tsa mosadi ba re nna ke lo roba. Tsanana, a gotse guys, a re improveng ka ramanyalo se fapana. Nna Sherry, ke bua net ke na le experience. Motho wa tswa ka dikobong o tsamaye wa tswa. O tsamaye o lo batla o tlo re mara o khale. It's dangerous to phele le motho ya sa rating Mdavas. It's very dangerous. Wa tswa se fapana bo. O tswa ka kung o tsamaye o ye motho ye mong yo tseba gore o tlo fa Mdavas. Wa tswa khale ke etsa ntho wa tsamaya. Ya phum
o re bana jwa le motho ka kuntate a pere pijame ka reng ke tsebo le bapala boxing o fanele o tla go
uzophuma watswa guys uzophuma re guys o tlatswa ke kopa o le jotsa nnete wa bona lona ba o banna ba lona monna wa hao a re a ba o jotsa re ka nakwe kapa ka 12 fa ka ba o jotsa re motho modimo o na le mathaka ba tshwantse ke le kopana le bona o na le eng guys it's very dangerous into you. That is why we need to make sure that ask us o ka se boulele ka motho Sherry yo o tsebang hore o botswa le o ba botswa ka taba ya o mo fa Mdavas because sona le basadi ba jwalo ba boulela o thola wa boulela o boulela monna hae ba batle monna ya cheat pata qetile o botswa yena personally ke motho a botswa ka Mdavas all right
ko strateng ba o shapa ka brick folly ba o shapa ka helicopter ba o shapa ka VW bona o wetsetsa ntho ka ofela
the problem is that ka ntle o tlo etsa brick folly eo di VW tsa ha mara ka tlung o batla ba professional
ya na bantina hampe
obviously dumela ka le dumedisa hle
yes
ai nna ke ha okay mara problem ke hore Dr. Ri but I ke hore you know mo di relationship in tsa muntu we tend to be serious ke yona ntho irang hore relationship e bore oya ba mara if ne ri keep us ne ri sira ri jola ba stanza mo lenyalong ra continue ka sona I think it gas bore go tlo phela hona le spark
that is why you
are talking a different story. You are talking a different story. Oscar ha ne re jola lo ri etsa motho gona hore a nyetse ka tlung a ba batla ba professional mara nyatsing a ba etsa di VW tse di BMW tse tsa etseo
e to bona mo a immediately
if o challenge ang o mong ke mathato tlo etsa ke e ka ntle a ke etsa ka bedi ha ile go ke robela ke go khutla tlo etsa hape brick folly eo
in this case women are a problem. Most men are sebona bothata nthonye batho bo make bona ba rata boholi bo bong when coming to that mara go pona le sikhumbuzo wetsa ntho tsena kaofela
mara e go botsa Dr. Ri e go botsa something this thing we shebe or o botsise anyone or le hona ba ba itsing or ba ba tlhalwanyang ntho ke bolelang ha re jola re thomo kopana re ira di helicopter le dilo mama mara once re thoma re tsena mo commitmenteng dilo tse di a change hona le this a ke tsike mentality or ke engwa o missionary ke yona e leng right ka muntu o ka re dilo tse di nga di sa le right di sa le holy and ke yona ntho e senyang yona e correct me if I'm wrong I stand to be corrected.
No, you are right wena Makei. That is why ke decide le ngore ke tlo ruta ka sex ka Mdavas ka Labohlano because I'm aware ba nna le basadi ba relaxitse sefapang sa ntate modimo ba relaxitse ka sehlong manyalo a rona ebile rona manyalo batho ba nyetseng ba relaxitse ka short ba relaxitse ka batho ba maka ba relaxitse otsba the other thing e tlang ke ruta batho especially ka radio relationship ke leng gale ke ruta ka especially manyalong know how to seduce your partner. That thing is very important to you. Why? Because sometimes ka ramanyalo re na le di challenges re na le di kolto re na le bana di school fees those things di bapala di kelelong tsa rona ne especially runa batho if ke o nyetse ke phela le wena automatically. That is why most of the time mdavazo wa stratong o monate, because mdavazo wa stratong ba bitsa hauna stress, hauna accountability, hauna the responsibility man wa bona. Now but that is why o tshwantse o be le tsela ya o etsa gadi re gadisane. Number one. Number two, it's very important to change the pleke, or change the environment. Let's work out lona. Lilo buka. It can be a 1 night or 2 days. Lilo buka. Very important. Number three, it's very important to davazana ka koloi lili monna le musadi. Klasa se fate. Yes. Sure. Sama Sherry.
You mentioned something very important to say.
Sherry Kuba Jaunza. Kibato Kinyabatu.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Yes, Dr. Ri.
You mentioned something very important. You mentioned something very important to say. There are people about having sex very, very light. To your point of view, even if they are intimate, the other party will be connected, the other party will be just off. Imagine having to be intimate, any party so imagine you are married to that person.
That is why I said the problem when I read most of the time karamanyalo batho ba dutse le batho ba sa ba rateng.
If I was to say that in November, I'm in the medical space, right? And normally patients that we see, these are patients that have a socio-psychological problems in the marriage. Number one, I always say that intimacy starts hemonna or me ailo mosebetsing. You send a sneak peek of what they should be looking forward to. In other words, is that you are appetizing your partner to look forward to something nice. So in this regard, that's why it's very important to go for premarital counseling to understand what is your love language, what is your partner's love language. Maybe in a harati registering a read, when I registering a read, but instead he prefers a black one. So how do you meet your partner halfway? How do you appetize the marriage on its own? And number two, the only thing that I start seeing lately in therapy is that a lot of patients, when you ask them what is leading them into depression, they will keep on saying, my husband is now cheating on me. Now let's go back and do a self-introspection. What are you bringing forth to meet this man halfway and meeting your needs also halfway? I mean, any marriage is a two-way thing. I get. So in this regard, it means when namusadi verekana le monna ho wa gago lebelela gore o nyaka eng mo fedile o ja le bible ya bolela bjao ere monna e fa mosadi wa gago dilo tše e leng tša gagwe le yena o tla go fa tše e leng tša gae ke ditokelo tša gae. But now go fitlha mo the intimacy part to get where the connection level reaches. I get really jola and mashala le vumelana gore no ranye bja no ranyalana. You never stop dating while in marriage, and this is our problem. Gore once you are married, le ba serious man. Le go shop le dira di grocery, you are serious. You are because hale you don't meet each other halfway. Nyaka peanut butter, but instead does not love peanut butter. Una le trauma peanut butter. Unyaka jam. So in this regard, and also let's like exploring in intimacy. If you feel like you are dry, I mean, when women are getting older and older, rebali menopause, I get. Because we get dry down there. I get. So now you introduce this kind of things to your partner. Okay, Motwag, now that I have grown older into this stage, let's now introduce the sensational gels to eliminate a lot of this and that, and find somebody wetter. I can also be wetter, but the problem is I'm taking longer due to my hormones. It's very important Renaba side. Educate our partners. We are going through. There are men, after all, they do not understand a woman's body. It's our responsibility. Dog style, chicken dust. Baby, meaning in kishe corner bed. Initiate those kind of things so that the marriage keeps on growing, it keeps on burning, If it's like but otherwise it's a very informational.
Some African brothers when initiate such thing. When you initiate such thing, I don't say
No,
as I'm talking to you now, there are men that are divorced. You know, something, yeah, I remember so it even goes to a point of breaking up to say, how
you know why? You know what, Dr. Ree? You know why? And why? You know why, Mikey? I can answer two things there. Number one, you did not marry somebody that loves you as much as you love them. And they do not connect with you spiritually. There is no spiritual connection there. And why would you find something very intentional to hold your marriage together and stick it like glue? Mara instead moto arabisana le wena o ka re ungwana o monyane mona o le ntate ka mo ntlong. You as a man, you are saying, well, this is what I like. And to avoid me going outside. I get it when now 1 month. I mean, you don't just wake up one morning and start cheating and going again. It builds up. So initiating and going to the sex sport. Now I don't know. I always tell patients that it's important that you go to such events with your partner. The sex sport. They'll show you sex toys. They show you whether you can spice up your love life in the kitchen. Take the kids to their granny's house. Put her on the kitchen counter. Do the things at the couch. It does not necessarily be on the bed all the time. Come gratching, come away by Navasali, like Kela Grachi from the inside. Lava busy come gratching. Latana as if like nothing has happened. I mean, I have a monati in marriage. First time
you know, sometimes if two people back communicate, if there's lack of communication, then there's a problem.
Communication. Those ones are spontaneous because now
it does.
One will not allow it. One will not allow it. Eric said, okay.
Yeah, but said.
One will not allow it. But it must be spontaneous. Let's say, for example, really happening. We are trying to unlock the door and spontaneously so in the garage we do it. Now I have a problem. Initiate and
Dr. Ree, you have married the person that you are married to, or your partner does not like you. I mean, this is period. She does not like you. She likes somebody else. She's just settling with you. I mean, I cannot be angry as a woman in anything and everything when my husband is initiating. Then it means the problem is with me. I need to do self-work. And as a woman, and understand and take my husband through it, communicate, no, I don't like it this way, I like it this way. Meet each other halfway. I mean, otherwise you're going to be a very miserable man. You're going to be a very miserable man. And when I kill a guy, intimacy. aba normal hara setšhaba everybody when they're saying things you are just against them, and when people are just trying to bring solutions you will feel like they're attacking you while they're trying to give you solutions. Mosadi owe o nyaka go rate society sa basadi re mmontse gore basadi ba tena di-panty registering ba ra dilanjareng.
But bontate ba lekang intimacy mme, you know, as men are active ka ofela. Ona le bontate ba nang le bo tswekere na le bontate ba nang le eng. So that's why ke reng it's not everybody, it's not for everyone.
Mar Dr. Ray,
On a point of correction, Dr. Dine, can I tell you something? I'm in the medical fraternity, and my specialty is it's both surgical and internal medicine. Would you believe me to say that most of our patients are diabetic, but they are still able to conceive and get it going? Because we now have medical tablets that would get it going. It will get it hard so that they can have intimacy. The medications that we have now, I mean, technology changes. It's a myth.
what's man na ke mang re ke mang ke tamang ke tsebe a ke le bona Tampan. Okay, Tampan, now I think we're now understanding, and I think because you know, Dr. Rin, it's good to be spontaneous, ne? But spontaneous, acrylic prepare la pele, not unless le kopane already sensible spontaneous when I partner. But if Lisa kopana lily spontaneous, that's when the transcend le communication. That is why it's saying today how do you break tabaya to bring to our motto to bring something mdavazo umutu ya sa twayelang le qala kae ka ruta ka hore o tshwantse le qale ka o bua wa tswa baby ke batla o bua ne ke khala hore ke improve mdavazo wa rona ke communication le communicate nto e wa bona especially when ne le sa twaela o yetsa jwalo kapa two if ne le batho ba sing spontaneous ne if ne le se batho ba jwalo e communicate le prepare dikelelo tsa lona ne so that emong a tsiboro okay now nkunyana o tlo etsala so kata ba mdavos that's when o tlo ba easy ra le kela dikoloi kapa le kela di crashing o tlo ba easy because le prepare le jwetsana re wa tswa baby nna ke khaletse bona now this time re improve some mdavos wa rona hence kila ba ka tshokare hai ba le khotso le kampala la ta dinto la lo batla di DVD kapa la kena o tsena tse teng di Facebook la check only because you want to bring your partner to your level yamdavas.
You know, na experience ke itse bang ntwe le mo a blend yes sometimes you succeed in most cases mara re check mo let's say now what about intimate le partner ra hao e discuss itweng e kana etsa hala malane wa le matla jwa ka spontaneous ba le matla ba le mollo e be quickie e be monate. But for the mere fact that you planned and libuile ka yona, I 100%.
Dr. Re bua ka ho tlisa kelello le ho improvisana. Le tlo remember re bua ka batho ba sa tlwaelang mona. Ba ne ba sa tlwaela o ba libitsa spontaneous ke yona. Yeah, re bua ka batho ba ne ba sa tlwaela mona ho ba spontaneous. Now, o ka se tloe fela o buso etsa dintho o motho yeo o sa mo prepare a neng a sa tlwaela o etsa ntho jwang like tamamang a itse o tlo tla ka G-string e reti o tla o dima motho o tlo dula o dima motho ba o makalla because ena communicator ha tlwaela ntho eo but ha le qala ka communication le prepare or baby what's ba nna ke khaletse re tlo improve sa dintho tsa rona and maybe le a di shebella kapa ke ntho le decide gore baby what's about today from today ke batla re improve o etsa tsang when o qala la jalo ba spontaneous o prepare le kelela motho ha go bona o hlaka di G-streamer ke a tseba gore o njwetsitse gore today from now we decide to yes
Because how cannot try la fela ke mo kitchening and then no go to my look. What if maybe ke half a go put out the way to get off? So it's best if we sit down, we communicate. And communication with relationship, it helps because you end up knowing who partner how unyakang or rating harate in. One understand one mota or motubon. Come call Dr. Novia Langate are when you start communicating one mother or from now on out we can even take it come call them probably or local kitchening we do it everywhere. Go showering, whole couple go showering if you are ukarenka kamuhala katena go showering. It was spontaneous. Mara also communicate, there is a communicate. Let now sometimes I would feel what is ukarenka markerio oring. What if aka like the respond? Yaba like whatever obvious
I hear what you are saying. Dr. November said something here. You know, kind of going what imagine go feel communication or okay fine. Before starting maybe where you're joking, you're distring or whatever. So another problem is already. I don't know or nine. I can't go. Of one of them like a blue mara. Oh, one of that's much as on soldier. But for the mere fact they were a blue mara, one of them already taken off.
Maroga say when you go say just about like a bloomer a fully catty, obviously.
Okay, when I'm telling about Ubata by ex Haine. Yeah, there's a lady about it. What if Munahaya hearts wait? Yet I get into Tangata Usaka. Most if you need to recheck a pillar, why Unasa swell from the beginning, Capapil not swell and no Hasa swell. We need to know the intoxication. And then Yabu baby. But Tobangata, when I'm a Makeli, Dr. Ray, I get woman. People they don't understand or more whole one how whole thing.
Sex
I be even if Lalkela really yet some Davos, how to buy the way Utswane to Bate. Moba to Balu. That is why Davos is for people who are happy. That is why guys, we need to maintain happiness. If we want to enjoy Davos Waruna, we need to maintain our happiness because happiness can a drive enough from Davos. So Ntongo Sapambatu in the relationship but they don't understand it's very important. Number one, who neglect sometimes link the responsibilities lidi beleka tuku ngan di koloto lidi beleka tuku ngan the everything lidi beleka tuku because it's one of the things that affect Mdavazo. One kidintwa the argument makwatelana the affect Mdavazo. Two nto affect Mdavazo sometimes kapoleta Mdavazo uskaba productive kidi responsibility every time lidula the communicate the responsibility partner ra hai chaisa hai kana fera sonto moblelo show hai ngwana pata tabula ngwana utla tabusi dieta utile school fees in ha there is no way Mdavazo waluna utobang productive ya di last most ya banna ba sa tsuelu nka ramanyalo abo baba utlotola re kidi sa ichiki dieta or baske ba tsuela ba fika malapeng abo. But in short, it's very important to create a good atmosphere from Davos and to create a good, actually, it's very important to create a good atmosphere. Guys. That is what's on number key. I really want happiness. I really haranto priority. Happiness. Happiness, guys.
Renava side, most the other side, we don't understand how banna. Manna if ever let's say Mashata, come Koska Ucho, Mashata every day. Like agri-sex, Mdavazo, I mean to say it ultra from your mental.
Yeah.
you must be right. Come on, your mental state. Tlamehile e be right. Hey, mental state ya monna is right. I want to tell you whether you like it.
I create ala next. Ke kopa o bua ke ma ya ka odimo hao when ke mama ke ma ka odimo hao.
So possibility to go maybe ukrile someone o mo challenging ko ntle.
Isabel.
Re thabile.
No ke somebody.
Re thabile bua re moametse. Re thabile.
O motile maike.
Re thabile.
Isabel.
Bula mic.
Re teng.
Isabel.
November ke re monna ke o tsamaile o ngadile hle a sala le November wa ha ho neng yo sana tse pedi ai ka mo mola ya ka dipotso tse ngata tse oh a tse potsa gore yo fela neng panele ya hao ke yo fela ka bana re tla khutla ka bana tsona tse batang ai ke be ka shwa ke dipotso msadi ai ndo tlo remember tshithe
Isabel o no motsang wena o no motsang.
ke mo botsa go ntate ratang ke tseno ke fintwe ratang
Eh.
a mo bolaisa dipotso
Mar o ile o araba go tse ding.
every Friday ke motavazo le pastor o nkarabile jwale e batla tse batlang jwale a ne ka sa e bona ene a tsaka dikobo na pe di pitjama
O lo nkela matla o fa khutla mo. O ya be
But o mmutsitse ife pele a ileng a e araba aba honest.
yena seo di arabile hantle jwale a ga ena o kgathetse ke dipotso go neng ke mo botsa dipotso
But o mmutsitse hore o rata ke efe ntho mo gadisang.
a nkarabela
Jwale butle pele ka rabana o fa yona e ne le ntho e tsebang ka bona o qala o e utlwa ho tse ding tsana o araba tsona.
tse pedi ne ke sa tsebe gore o batla ga o entse jalo mara
Ke ena ntho e ntse ke e batla wa bona gore monna o ntsa dutse ka ntho tsa di batla mara o ntsa sa o jwetse.
a re ntate November wa le senya dikelello ba sa ditini
Ena ha di senywa di lokisa.
Mara ha qetile but ha qetile o bolelletse dintho tse o no sa di tsebe. You need to be proud.
ai ke a leboha ntate November
No, you need to be proud of Swaka because believe me, ke yona ntho ne ke emphasize because wa tseba ko jwetse manyalong a rona le di relationship hona le batho ba sa satisfying di partner tsa bona next ene bona ba sure ba satisfy di partner tsa bona but believe me ko jwetsa nnete yo ntate Modimo a e tsebang because you know why batho ba tshaba o bolelana nnete motho wa hao o tshaba o bolela re baby wa tseba ex ya ka kapa whoever o kila nketsa so ke rata 1 2 3 o tshaba o bolela yona so the way o motseng ka yona gore o rata eng keng e mo etsang jalo o mo thusitse le wena o ithusitse because now wa tseba gore go na le dintho tseo monna o a neng a di rata tseo no sa di tsebe no o tlo mo etsa tsona no.
ntate November
Thank you so much. I'm happy for you, Miss Kat.
ke a leboha
Ha khutla mo etse SMS mo WhatsApp mo jwetsa o ready. Wow, Mara, I'm happy for you. I'm happy for you.
Omnozi. Eriki thawe nna before ke thawa mara. Eriki be ona le memo a tswile mona. A ke tsere ke tampane ka pa ke mang. But I don't think yet. A bulen ka taba ya menopause. You know, most women are act like that they're an early age, beauty age, I feel already and all that. But now the pain is when now we feel staging some menopause. One day I have menopause, one may menopause. So I'm not going to it's almost a bit too more room, happy.
Wow. Pele ka nnete ba manganga jang, pele ba manganga jang. Guys, ke go bonka ntho wa tetela ke ma ka o di ba ntho.
Nna re tla ba ra di menopause re seng ke re kere batho Jehovah. Rototomelane. Life is difficult.
Oh my camera, now I hear that. I didn't get much. Kim on account my home. Rebecca. Redelegate Reeves. Rebecca. Rebecca, when I keep my Akupani Kubo, when I can pick partner. Man, Rebecca.
Can I show Rebecca Vilanka Kuponi Tirimale?
You're never seen
Rebecca, when I go for a Tirimale. I know it.
Rebecca, how na someone out go back? Rebecca, Luna is on mar.
No, it's one Califis. I know you're one Califis.
Khalifa, man.
Khalifa. Khalifa, Rebecca, Khalifa, guys, Khalifa. Otherwise, you know what is. Hey.
I want to get to Dr. November. It's again. The Palako is number 1.
Please.
You know.
Make us proud.
You know what is painful when Rebecca? It is not right hore monna wa a experience dintho side checking. Tseo a sa di experience wena kapa mosadi wa a experience dintho. The reason why ke ruta ka o explore the relationship in manyalo, the fear ya ka iwan ke hore fela when your partner aka cheata abarwa cheata by mistake abawala ka ramatsoho a motho ya tlo mo exposang dintho tse ntjha o ka se tlhole mo thola motho wa hao. Next. So it's very important that dintho tse ntjha ka ramanyalo a rona di tle ka rona, dintho tse ntjha di partnereng tsa rona di tle ka rona. Ha wa tshwanela hore dintho tse ntjha di tle, because once mosadi wa monna wa hao a ka experience dintho tse ntjha from side checking, I'm telling you, it's going to be difficult to get your husband back to your life. What about difficult?
Yo. Aye, wait till next Tuesday. Tuesday next play to Friday on Friday. That Tuesday next again. Dr. November is on Friday. Aye.
On only day Wednesday. Ka Wednesday.
Aye, nearly Tuesday.
How no guy?
Tuesday, I don't know like one mega Friday.
How no really kill like
Tuesday.
I never really kill like
Tuesday, Doctor. Tuesday.
Okay, open and really kill like Wednesday. They keep up a radio Mbusiu, can I radio it was Wednesday.
Okay. Wednesday.
Yeah, in Wednesday. I remember Wednesday, yes. No, I can't improve in yellow, because if you don't do that, dintho tsena di wena leader he tloka dintho mo lead bua le ena tloka dintho suggesta dintho because if ho ka etsala gore one day a cheat by mistake a ba cheata motho ya tlo mo leadang ka dintho tseo it's going to be difficult to find your husband or to get your husband back bophelong ba hao.
I was a Dr. November never ever cheat, never ever cheat.
No, thank you so much, Rims.
There's this Brandon, how tla le dilo tse mpšha mo lenyalong ba tlo botsa gore o di tsere kae. My point exactly. So ke kopa moaraba gore there is what we said, it's very important for two people ba ba le mo relationshiping or mo lenyalong to communicate ka dilo tse. O sa tshaba go bolela le motho wa hao gore wena o rata ha o entse jwang and o batla eng, so that le kgone understandana both of you.
Yeah, what's all we qala kae Mama K, what's all we qala kae nthonyana ke buileng ka yona gore o iqala mona gore baby what's one ntse ke nahana kapa you can even tell your partner what's up baby hona le show yena ya Pastor November ya rata go bua ka di sex what's one moruto o hlola bua ka dintho. I think ke nana tshwantse motho improve wa mo prepare. You don't just bring something new to somebody asa tlwaelang o tlo motshosa o tlo makala o tlo botsa ro where did you get that. But if you ask a person or if you tell the person or hona le show ya November man e hlola nga bukala bohlano that man una hlola bua solo. Now you are preparing that person and then how to tell me right what's on into the bule. I think I need to consider them. Improvement. One prepare. Or una buaka 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oskadi bua ekar ditso when because how di bua ditso when it will be a problem. Ne? Again, how di bua ditso di colleagues tsa mosebetsi wa o tlo feel wena le di colleagues tsa di bua into snacks. But it's very important to blele motho wa is I saw this show ya Pastor November ya leke Frida how bua ka sex mo ona ntsa ruta ka 1 2 3. I think I need to improve myself kapa re-improve so.
Or
mamele, yes.
Me too. I think Umarabile Brendan, ke Brendan na botsa potso eo.
Yes.
From the comment section.
But it's very important, guys.
The communication is the key.
Very important.
Very important when Dr.
Very important, guys. What's about
to introduce whatever Renaba said no. You are speaking from a male perspective, right? And then now, Renaba said, it would be better if they would hear it from another man saying, man, stop being comfortable. Especially intimacy. Intimacy is not supposed to be a taboo. It's not supposed to be a religious thing that we have done all from back in the days, generation to generation. Style is so one. Let's now we have absorbed the information Dr. November has given us, right? And we've been listening alone. Some of us, the partners, were not interested because they didn't understand what was the topic about. But introduction to say, every Friday, man, you know, they're encouraging a healthy intimacy communication life. Would you be interested now? You are not enforcing that person to be interested. You are introducing little by bit. You know, and whatever. Sometimes banality trauma that they're not yet ready to let us so let's continue going to therapy or let them continue to find a mentor that would usher them into such topics without feeling the fear of the unknown of what they don't know in intimacy. It means or why with someone else. Wow. So in that November, maybe let me give you a homework, my brother. maybe sometime during the year or before the year end or towards the beginning of the year.
Yes,
I would really appreciate if you can host something, whether it's at your church or whatever. We bring our partners so you really enforce, maybe they can hear from a man's perspective.
Yeah.
Dilo di tsamaya jwang ka mo dilo di change bathong.
Dintho di tjhentjhile hle.
Dilo di change and we're not going to stick to one technology forever. 5 years is a very long time. You can't stick with somebody for 5 years in a boring intimacy situation. We'll end up going outside. So in that November, it's something that maybe you can think out of the box. And once you've got those dates and facilitated very well, let us know. We are ready to buy the tickets. I mean, already we are enjoying your show. Bazalani wana one side. Bata continue abayekwa hamboro. Because we want to let it improve our sexual. We want to improve our sexual intimacy. We want to open our minds broader. Because now every Friday we are jogging our minds. You are forcing us to jog our minds there.
Wow.
Even if we didn't want to.
Wow.
We are jogging there.
Wow.
Maybe right. And it's about time now.
Wow.
You know?
Wow.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you very much. I will step down.
No, thank you
And
so
it's
much.
it was gonna be nice. Hello, people, ban a little open mind. Like no, so. Wa bua ntate Moruti a re monna yo mo tebetse ka kamereng a re wa rasa.
It's
It's a problem. You wanna le partner e leng horeng e stereotype.
Yeah.
Stereotype. You know that stereotype. Let me tell you. Anele, I don't know if you guys know Anele Muswane, the psychologist. That man said it very well. Men are still afraid to go for therapy. Whether you go gereke mba bolela le moruti or whether you therapist. Kena le trauma. Nkile ka tlhakana le ngwanyana mo wa nketsa di 1 2 3. Hey, I was not comfortable. And therefore now that trauma now falls into the marriage. Marriage. I mean, even when you are planning for outings, literally at the vacation, the content fela. Hali is a Davaza soda. And a Mudavaza over west go vacationing here.
And I think okay, got to mind to relax.
Yes.
Take it far.
Agree, guys. That is all I'm guys. Even if I leak and but like a book somewhere. Even
yes, not expensive.
Yeah. Just to book somewhere, you know,
around the corner.
Around the corner, 2 days or
Just
1 night.
Your time, Lily too.
You know, guys, the most powerful thing a human being has is the mind. Everything starts in the mind.
Exactly.
Everything. If you tell your mind that you are going to do this, you'll never DNF. Just like in marathons, I always say, or when we are running comrades, it's the mind that is actually making you to stop and not finish that race. You can't start something and not finish it. Same with marriage. If you want to finish it well with grace as well. And we're not saying marriage is rosy. Marriage in the ups and downs, learn to embrace the season with grace. Give each other grace. Teach each other with kindness. Watch your tone when you're speaking to your partner.
Yes.
Because also, Rabba said, Harna le limela who introduce properly. Hariki toving, hey, Mutwat. If you send so umorapele, hey. Yazi 1 2 3. I was thinking of 1 2. Here, have a conversation, an open conversation, without having to the other one. I catch a distress. I feel like they're being attacked, and when they ask questions.
Sometimes it's not about basadi babala ku thoma the topic. Sometimes like lemo, nekebala di comment this other lady Ariana Monai. o tlhogo e thata mo e leng gore o ka se mere seno. And believe me, ba teng batho ba bjalo. You can't introduce anything. How tomorrow o bolela o ba ka mokgomo ebile le wena o end up o tshaba le o bolela le ena kore o mo tshaba o ka ra se monna o ka ra ga o robale le ena. Wa understand ntse tshwana le yona
Why would you marry somebody o mo tshaba?
le nna ne ke re ke tlo botsa ntho o fihla jwang stageng seo?
Stage se sa gore o tshaba jwang monna gago, my sister, my Kay.
From the comment, people
Yes.
like they are there.
Between the three of us now, we are asking
A person can build a wall. You know that. O tlo tshaba le o bolela le dilo tse obvious. And le ke ntho ela e re boela hape e se re busetsa kwa le ko ela ya gore lack of communication. Because sometimes a re tlwaetse batho ba rena go rabolela di nnete tsa rena. Nkile ka botisa auso monkare, do you understand your body now? I understand. Sometimes you don't even understand your body.
what did she say?
Utwa no soso ke no soso ne a re le nna wa ka ke a mo tshaba ne.
Yeah, no soso ya.
Obo.
Yeah, no soso ke bua ka ena.
No, I'm very much intrigued and very much interested. At this whole Uchaba partner, partner, is your partner that traditional man, that traditional Tonga vendor man, that Zulu man, Yebo Baba, in Konzo, yase bedroom. So when you don't have a say, how would they give it to you? You don't have a say. Even if you're not enjoying it, even if he does not hit the right spots.
You are not hitting the right spot. You can't.
How do you... Now, I'm very intrigued. But I the comment section, maybe answer me. Do you even come? Have you ever experienced
coming? 0 to -10.
But guys, it's sad.
But it's sad. Lena, I don't understand.
Some people, they settle more marriaging for status. Serious, I'm telling you the truth. As long as
but what I don't understand, why ubo fihle staging sa o nyalana le motho yo mo tshabang yo seng free ho bua le ena le be le nyalane. Because now it's a problem ntho ba iphilang batho bana and le yona e ka nda ba tshintshile manyalong a bona because le bona ha ona ntho bohloko jwala ka o khale dintho tse o tloa batho ba bua ka tsona wena bo sina o tseba rona le chance ya ho di thola ka tlung ya mara bo sa di thole. That's when basadi ba bangata ba cheatang. That's when banna ba especially basadi ba bangata ba cheatang. O cheata because your partner doesn't create that opportunity for wena or le enjoy lenyalo la lona. It is not right, Kanet. But in short, the only thing that I can say, you said something very powerful when Tampani. You said something very powerful. Happy about the Abana strategy, so influence Abana Babo. And the only thing is Basadi they don't understand Urbana about strong one. Lena le matla floti mar Basadi Babangata Batsiburu. Bana le matla amakai. Our influence Abana Babo. I think you said something where Abana Tonu, the righty, who throw and tow a beata fulling, who kiss and to send Chabana the Tony, the right Abana the system. That is the only thing.
Going back, okay,
that is the only thing, Miss Cat. No, Nigeria fell about Abana system. But to one minute, I think I don't know because I think young fell and to Tampana Builin Basadi Babanga Bana the Tony right, Habana strategy, Habana a way Yaut Isadinto. Now Babam Bakona and Abana Babana but difficult. Can you go fella when you don't have a strategy for that man you opinion there? Can it?
I am going to tell you the truth, ne? Mikey, I want you to listen and now this when the women on the comment section are saying their husbands are strict, they're not open to learning new things. everything is just difficult, then you jog your mind into those high walls. Ne? When you jog everything in that high wall, it means everything that the woman is saying out of her mouth, she is saying it in fear, because now she is afraid of rejection. And she is afraid of being asked questions that she won't be able to answer, of which is wrong. How did we get there? Mara, when this husband is outside with certain people, it's a totally different person altogether. Or personality change from one dynamic to the other. So this person or multi personality disorder, basically in medicine, that's what we say. But now we don't want to diagnose a person that we don't even know, because chances are when he's sitting with men, he's expressing his frustration. Frustrated 1, 2, 3, and 4. Go back to do a self-introspection to say, okay, let me go back and work on me. Maybe I have given myself too much for the kids since we got married. I have neglected this man. Why ukanyala muthu wa uka thubulela muthu wa fetsa wa motshaba? Hai monate, honestly speaking. So let's go back, rena basadi, and do self-introspection and check, okay, where have I failed, Lina? Where have I contributed to this man turning like this? Because I believe if ngaba amochaba na kote asajola lena, nankaba sa munyali, unless if no munyala because of financial security, then it's a different topic altogether for yet another day. But today we like amudavaz or umusejusa jwang mutu wa kanda ichisayo.
Au musejusu yemela yena. Au sejusu.
Au unoruka yemela yena. Wana museju huu nyaga di nyakwa. Because especially the female reproductive system works like this. I'm sure a lot of women can attest. Normally, you must take, if you have not noticed, normally when you are on your periods, you get horny.
Or days after, a day after, you would get very horny.
Yes. So, and when you are ovulating, you'll feel a bit of pain, or some are severe. It depends from one patient to the other. And in this case, so you can't wait for somebody to initiate or ardreso.
What's about na mantswa ka go qetela ke na guys robaleng, because who's an example ke tlo mona ke tla frena gen hoseng ene ke tswa fa o tsoa nna mantswa ka kena ke tlo etsa mohlala ka nna bona nna ke kwatile makhe le ke mama matatampana mara wa khethile fane thata tje
As fine ke le bitso batho bitsa ko ke zore le
bonza mara o khethile fane thata hore mara
as fine ke bitso
mamele koki ntegi thutileng yona but one of the things e tletsa gore batho ba sukule kana go tsene bana ona re di partner tsa bona di thata ke o se tsebe partner ya hao batho ba bangata ba phela le batho ba sa ba tsebeng. Number 2, you need to know as much rates by the password to the PIN number the bank. You know if you batla withdraw a chelete o tobetsa eng o kenya PIN number if. Basadi le bana they don't know hore partner ya wena le PIN.
O
tobetsa kae. And basadi ba itsebore le banna ba tsebore but le motho na le PIN on Google. That is why, example, I'm going to just make an example. Baflista ba khulehile o tshwara Samson until Delila aya. Delila o batlile PIN ya Samson until I told. Or what is your secret until I told. Now, ke tla example e kana. Obana nna ha ke kwatile. Ne o nkwatise ka pa o ntenne. Ke tenile ka pa ke kwatile ne. if o ka ema ka pela ka se bore ke kopa o ntshwarele baby a ku utlo re a ku utlo next
O batlang makeup sex.
but no ntshware dula pela ka whether o mpholla serope kapa o ntshwere mahetleng but as long o nthashitse yes
So what over when under the November love language how ke affection.
ke affection yes wabon that is my pin wabon if you want to go if o batla o fitla nna hold me ntshware baby kopa o ntshwarele hle motho wa ka o ntshwarele wabon so now you can imagine motho o mong a ka kopanang le nna a ba ema bona ba re November kopa o ntshwarele kapa baby kopa o ntshwarele then make it be right o tlo re yo November difficult kanti no the only thing you don't master master a pin number yak. It's very important as a woman kapa as a man o tseba pin o sofna ke bitsang o sofna pelo ya motho wa ka o etsa eng hona re basadi ba ratang hore o nke loto la hae kapa o nke loto le le be hodima dirope tsa hao o mo tshware maoto let's say about address about mojetsa something o mo qala ka mo massage maoto there are people ba sa di tsebeng hore batho ba na le di pin batho ba di tsebi dintho tse next motho tla ba tlo jwetsa
rena love language ya ke violence feta good
ke mang
ke mang ke di raisins or ke mang peanuts and raisins
Patrol. Imagine. So let's go la re no go khatiwa.
I little go khatiwa o tlekela feta
Because what the hell are you doing?
Mana go nya no.
So na ke yona ntho e ke tlo itshong hore batho ba tlo nahana hore batho ba bona ba difficult continue because le nna ke a tseba I'm a very difficult person but again I'm a very simple person and emole motho na le two sides wa bana le lona le ditse le na le two sides it depend hore ke fe side e nna ke tlo masterang ka yona because everyone on the two sides motho o molo mona le two sides so you need to know hore motho wa ka ke le feel side le ke tsebang hore if ke batla it's like when you want hona le mosadi a tlobelela hore motho mding o tla ya monneng wa hae baby kopa baby motho mding re shota tšhelete ke batla tšhelete ke lo etsa eng mara mosadi e mong o tlo o jetsa hore nna ke batla tšhelete monneng wa ka ke a tseba hore ke tlo etsa eng e mo tla o jetsa hore jo monna ka ke etsa 1 2 3 e mo tla o jetsa hore jo monna ka ke me etsa so le so and ke a tseba hore o tlo mpha ntho nngwe le nngwe ke batlang if people ba ka mastera di pin tsa batho nna qetile guys tsamane le robala le na banna
I
Arna bona go bala. I'm running 50 kilometers Joburg to Pretoria, so I need to sleep. Yeah.
Good luck.
Butla pele mosadi tuwa how matter o matter bokae
We are doing city to 50 kilometers.
ke kopa botsa potso swaka ke kopa botsa
Ana mo. Hona le di runners tse di sa tlhapeng. E ba fetsa ba ya reng khela go start kwao. O iputisa gore basadi ba bona ba reng ba sa tlhapa
ke kopa o botsa ha o na le energy ka ya o matha o tlo nyama ke mang o swaka ya tshwantseng a tlo matha jwalo ka o di mahao ke mang monna wa batho a tlo mathang jwalo
yo hai maybe ke tla nyala ke rana ba re wa sebetseha kwa no rani mara ke so bone motho I guess
before kawana erekisile ka tabae wa itse di point tse tsotlhe tse ne di bua ne di important and then mara there's this one final thing re sa bolelang ka yona e khosang le yona e ke problem for the relationship you know rena basadi ba bantši ne a ba nyala banna because of ba rata ba nyetse banna because of motho a tla ko wena a proposal lenyalo o palla ko hana cause o nyaka o nyadiwa then until le yona ira hore mosadi a ska tlhalanya hore monna ke motho a mfuta mang because basically ha o morati o no nyakile lenyalo fela and then ha o iphina go ya hore o spend the nako le yena hore o mo tlhalanya hore ke motho a mfuta mang le yona yo it's a problem
Because Renabasadi rather the idea of the celebration, not
or
the
the idea of me being married to someone else.
Tampana. Jwale ke eng eo e etsang jwale?
I can't go banana. Hey, in that November, how we invite the Bono Gregiao, Red the Fowl,
Makei, sheba tampi o etsang jwale? Ke yona o etsang?
Come on, I don't study love.
Oh, mirror, Bacopa Winimboka.
Oh, give on me.
Give me,
Oh,
I don't miss his lives. And because hey, I know Bible very much, and I have learned from this man a couple of scriptures and how to interpret them.
I do
not.
But today when I've learned a lot, right?
I hope in the next one we will. I will also come prepared about the sexual reproductive of a man and a woman and try to unfold it properly.
no jakopa ka nnete.
So le gona tlhaloganya gore the X chromosomes le the Y chromosomes, the estrogen, the testosterone, di bereka jwang. What do you need to do? Because little Shiana, like the gynecologist thing, they'll run tests that we are also running, and you know, it will confuse. Baba Mubare, you know, the chai city, leading Nico, the halls. Hey, you guys are adding too much things here on TikTok, and it's unnecessary.
Too unnecessary. You are unnecessary. Like today, it was so fruitful.
And it affects the salivas down there.
Because pH down there, like I nyake silo, because
Tampi mare. Tampi. Mamela miskat, but I think that one can it kupoto chusa batuka yona. Can it? I think next time I read life mon, Ototonalo, you must be part of the panel so that you will chusa batuka in here on that side, because honestly, no,
yes,
when I'm about to buy experience and into the job of one mate,
and you know. I will bring the whole textbook what I've learned in medical school. Now that we've got new technology, study endometriosis, how do you tell your partner? How do you break the news to your partner? What I've got endometriosis, I've got fibrosis, I've got this, I've got this. So when maybe sometimes I would feel in a bit of pain there and there. Or what are you talking about? So to help madubula basadi ba heshu, le tlhapeng le spoon, and the basadi go tlhapa twice a day, please. In the morning and in the evening. If you can't do it for yourself, do it for the next person you are sleeping with.
Wait till somebody I prefer or toilet like my India. I normally want for my like no tell me it's more like I tap like a poop like a serious like not
fresh.
Okay, good to fresh. They don't care no. The reason why I don't do bucket number 2, Hakeloko Molong or Kiloko Meroko is because I can't give a go yet at the key to regulate a moment in Katab. I should understand.
Rena, at least we are privileged enough because we work in theater and there are showers there. So you after showering, after theater, look at bongaza go theater banana. After feta wana di PC, but hana monna hana roll like a PC. Hey, you know theater for guys is happening. You know you'd be operating on an old man that is 55 years, not circumcised. Still doesn't want to circumcise, and on top of that, early sepsis. Not circumcise. Remisa comment clar. HPCS rao mola sitafo. Still msadi didn't about to say like.
Ringa man kwadi las.
Mamukilane.
Mamukilane.
Dumelang.
Yes.
Your account it's private and I need you so much. Ke moetapele wa bomme mona. Ke bua le bomme ba keneng ka hare ho manyalo. So I have a group mo WhatsApp-ong. So I need you. Maratwa ke kopa o tlo o inbox hle.
Okay, let me add you, and then we will talk. Kind inbox. I have followed you, and then I will follow you back, and then you can go into my private because you know I'm a runner and and there's nothing there actually, but I'm a runner. But I do accept people, you know, basis on their credibility or what kind of a person you are, because you don't want to be exposed, especially in our profession, exposed to just Tom, Dick, and Harry. But to criticize what we are talking about November monani.
Okay.
Okay, get to add that. November, Zamora, 50 kilometers.
Mamela, when Tokana Kimam Sadaka, Kima Mamukilane.
That November.
Libuan le Basadimo.
Sex Talk Tuesday.
Libuan.
Sex Talk Tuesday.
Libuan.
It's a group. WhatsApp talk with bomme ba ngetsweng. Re bua di challenges tse re tla be re kopana le tsona, re a thusana. Di therapist di teng ha be re hlolana, re bitsa batho ba go ba tlo re thusa.
Oh, Marki bomme ba nyetsweng.
Ba bana le ka bo di advice re go ke nthonyana eno e jwalo.
All right. No, it's a beautiful thing. I would like to join. Plus, now I've got a reader's blog. So a reader's book club, a moving book club. So basically, we read books that are building homes and working on an individuals. That's the main purpose of our group. For manyala ska to be, I get a lerato into lilinyalun kinto muduma yaratan. And we are not out there to destroy marriages, but to build on Renaba Saidi Pili and how to serve this men, you know, with grace. I mean, also, I've learned a lot of things from the comments that we don't give each other grace. Ladies and gentlemen, on this life, I'm going to urge you to the same grace that you are giving other people, give it to yourself. And it's the most fulfilling thing you can ever do to yourself. Kids are like November. Good night.
Tampie, Lena, unto Amarna Kitsin Kiratu Neki follow I get some free. Na Kifanaka Nambataka, Kupalina unke Nambataka. Because Kenana, I think in Anakito Tokalin, by Ken Sabunta Tabamba item. Mametime. Matampani. I grew another brother by side fellow, like Kito Hona, money the banyan swing. I get to Hon. But Kinana Matampani and I can Matampan, Tampani.
We let the I get to
Tampani. We let Tampanica number Takan Nakufet on a street.
Emma, happy to go happy. Everything against some wife. Hold on.
Okay.
This is me.
Auditorium.
Yes.
073 202 90 79. 79. Yes, 073 202 90
9079.
Yeah, I can phone it, I can get a WhatsApp fella, I can remember fella. Inbox can go to the inbox so.
Okay.
Please.
Re-
Okay.
Let's create a black excellency in this.
No, thank you, guys. Guys, Robalang, my K. Yeah, no, I'm rappelling. Ke kopa ska go tla ke nka batho ke kopa rapela modimo wa runa ya phela moyo halang ntato wa runa ya tshepalang modimo ya yentseng le hodimo le lefatshe ntato wa runa ya nang le matlohle ya pele re kopa o re tshwarele modimo ka lokileng ka dintho tsohle tseo re di etsang re se aware modimo ka lokileng re a di bua dintho re se aware re a di etsa re se aware modimo ka lokileng re kopa o re tshwarele o itselentswe na hao ha re dumela dibetsa rona mme re di confessa wena o lokile o re ka re tshwarela re a o kopa morena Jesu. Sometimes we can think rona re etsa dintho tse right kanti modimo ka lokileng re faila wena re faila moyo halang. Therefore re a kopa morena Jesu re tshwarele ka o fitisisa modimo ka lokileng re rapela ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo Nazareta tatwa ka lokileng se re tlo robala ke rapela batho bohle ba phaneleng le ba tswileng le ba robetseng le manyalo a bona le di relationship tsa bona le di family tsa bona ke di rapela ka lebitso la morena Jesu lebitso le phelang lebitso le nang le matla lebitso le re hlolang ka lona ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo Nazareta. We thank you so much modimo ka lokileng because we understand the purpose ya rona modimo ka lokileng ka like Vrydag modimo ka lokileng ke o lokisa manyalo a batho modimo ka lokileng lo tlisa that happiness ka ramanyalo a bona ka lebitso la Jesu because re a tseba hore sex e entse kwe modimo ka lokileng kwena e entseng ene we etseditse hore monna le mosadi ba etse so that ba enjoy modimo ka re a tseba hore sex it's part of your vision jwale ka modimo dintho tsohle tsono batla re di etse re le bana ba hao sex ke part ya tsona therefore re a leboa modimo ka lokileng ha holo re hlonolofatsa batho ba utlwileng modimo ka lokileng ba thuse le ba nyetseng le ba ka ra di relationship ba thuse modimo ka lokileng hore dintho tsohle tse ba di utlwang mona ba di implemente ho tlisa happiness ka ramanyalo a bona ka lebitso la Jesu re rapela morena Jesu hlonolofatsa bana ba hao ka dintho tsohle tseo ba di hlokang le bana ba hlokang banna ba fe banna ka lebitso la Jesu Kristo Nazareta re a lebanta in Jesus name amen.
Amen.
Ke lebetse
ntate mo re tsene inbox ha bo shetse message
oh ntsetse message okay thank you so much
khale ke makalo o sa respond khale
ha ke rate di inbox o tla ke rata WhatsApp ke rata WhatsApp
o thomile pela bolela le nna ke mo responda sa boa
ke lebetse ha ke rate di WhatsApp inbox di antina di am frustrate ke rata WhatsApp because at least WhatsApp ke inbox e ke kena sometimes but unrumela WhatsApp ka unrumela WhatsApp straight
number next
wena no etsa
Ora rena sa kra number ke tla mo romela yona nomoro.
mo ke tlhola ke di bitsa mehle na di number tsa ka ke
Ai
understand
mehle. O di bitsa mehle.
di mehle na ke tswa o ntsa sa batlo dinka. Thank you guys ntate moruti ke kopa o nthuse o fumana di ingredients for my
bakery business.
re tla bua ka tsona rona re batla go robala sefapano ba bang ba lo matha rona re tla be re le tseleng re ya Gauteng o sana bye Tapi unrumele message ne ska ba le ba
Ke go romela no so
Sharp,
go robala go robele nomoro ya ka
sharp Makey unrumele le wena sharp guy thank you so much see you
okay bye